Das alang pan kar jugang tung mangala hello. What is the relation between paragraph 20 of the 6th schedule and article 244A of the Indian Constitution? Can autonomous state be created without the power of the 6th schedule? 6th schedule angding pingkoy lapen Bharat cari aronalo along the top kai kita karbiang long lapen and singin sarar to makar ingai autonomous state made article 244A laso akacera kopi lo gitu 6th schedule pen angding pingkoy pen kacera lapen ilitum 6th schedule angding pingkoy mate 6th schedule abi deadlock ante ilitum autonomous state selam munjima makim munjima laso kota alang le panon apor pipon lo alang le pandame isi panelist tu panan make miniting ko isi apor pipon pon lase ako next question bang lapto polasi miniting ko pensi alang le pandame kining je som ando tame achora pen tipijut poji fansi tuning pipon
Doktor kaya itu curoi lo, lawan ini kecil tong atau kalau ini menulis tumbuhan, laso plan, ini dipui buat bangke, nah ninja dia plan, ini tuh kalau nggak kaya Elwin terong, alam dia bangke non netes, abangke six itu konsti, firma laso adis council, long get, anong katalang kita si empire, kilo, laso aku tak, sikatu kalau yang bangke ini cara best itu dah. Nili kipunan ni mo bang nalason halo de inding ola inkoy lapen 244A kacera upilo 244A labang ke autonomous state itu legitimate right of the Hills people in the south ini bukan ada pura right dulu labang ladap pen bang ke pengen 20 la sobut hap pengen ladap pen si kewan lapen 6 schedule abang mo tenangan alam liaring de labalam se thang adhega tungke sini ibu pakai ni tungke asapo kahju ben asapo problem tu kau naik dalam ni adhega bangi details tham itu ini tu autonomous state kopi persigahan kopi autonomous state nangji lapan 6 schedule aja kong limitation alam ka alam ni tham itu lasi autonomous state pulau tungke ini tu bang penangan akhirnya kado kami ini tu direct central government dan adhe ka hukum kilong tadi adhe ka holmo ba ke itum mithang ta itum ka che sar ko naja kong adak long ki lasong mo pen mohet lasong phang pulo lem nala masa sikse to lalam da ke entire letter masi isi hini ku puta dokok titi lem na wa ke not existing non dobo malong ma ke isi ha mo bela 100 non 25 amendment lasong patru dat lo pulo tante kalau so isi hormu kabidat itu kaperi media hormu bang itu malong nang lepo lalu kalau tante 6 schedule autonomous so council north east cape along avista ini tu council along hello powerful ko land aputha settlement kalau ada bang abilang amne jadi dengke non bang ke dopo lasi laso pansi kadu kalau panta je 125 paso amendment along make nanga chirap tu dia pansi kadu panta kachuni lilo lapang ke itu ladap penangan hilang namanya sondo artikel 280 alam meher alam dikhan 280 alam ta artikel 275 laso alam ta alam di penangan alam dikhan lo kopisi itu ben kacera mapen kopisi kiwan bagaimana पंचायत का रिलेशन
सर होला मांगे नो स्टेप का प्ले कम थुलो ना सिता में नॉन नाली पंग स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन अगर जो मांगे 6 schedule अंडिंग पिंग कोई लापेन आर्टिकल 244 एक कचरा आ रिलेशन लापेन 6 schedule ले अवेदन होते वा वार खेल होते autonomous state itu kimuna lama itu tum jakong lo lama tribal tuh mar kipat jok jakong
kali lagi entare lekat mas jadi sini asap ke reference koran to ti la lang kani yelo sini bang pupu ke chera to ya tu puti pore autonomous state pulo dang te 6 schedule lo basa ke chera to ta 6 schedule lam dolo pulo ta itu makana ke to ke ang mo khati basi reference koran to ke la so ta lase autonomous state itum kinangji abang ke lalo autonomous state le long sita adhe aja kong itum long le ta hai sita ki ong dong aja kong abang itum kinangji pan 6 schedule kan ang plan so saja kong kithe laso kan se autonomous state laso state forward jong si ave pulo tangte itu malam olah kilong nahi hai 175 175 laso itu malam itu tangka 275 laso tangka bangke direct lagi bani ni athel da state forward to nahi amno pulo tangte lasi itu malam ke direct lada bangke itu bangke tangka bangke banu ko thodat lang eblo ko te lape article 280 Kamar autonomous state kado kaya lam chikop lang dikhi mo didi. Amendment lo pulo tang tela sodam joi. Autonomous state lo pulo tang tela long le angko sita. Itu madhe kahor mo itu bhan nang hi. Laso patak sila hai entare lete duko. Lasi ladaka bangke. Ladak abangke la 280 laso bangke mono bang itu punya bangke dak akimi ka insult to dia phan. Lada akimi ka insult to phala insult to lo pulo tang te itu kan tangka bang hoda direct itu malam mati dia phan laso put hak se itu bang da ahok autonomous state bang autonomous state power pulo tang te pipil itu ba lam ni apang meghalaya hoto autonomous state bang to pinawala anda ke hunde puspa afir suppress dam joi lo mati afir ke suppress dam na ko lasi no itu thak se autonomous state 244A power copy lo pulo tang dhadapta legislative power executive power lahat ini kata boy kitab do para to ba council of minister ba sengon posta kusipota para da bang ke specific rason pudak te mat maybe must be bogale hon lake to lote
sir hala nangli ke thana point na long le thana som de di
dale te autonomous state ba te
the six schedule one fifth pen autonomous state
whether
it is possible
6 schedule won't put 6 schedule ke limitation do 6 schedule is very much having limitation. Also limitation.
Can autonomous state be created without 6 schedule? That is my point.
No, the labang kelso hai na ki autonomous state labang kelake pada kita ando mati. Autonomous state. Lapen 244A autonomous state alo mai to hon lagi kita ando. Lapen 6 schedule alo mas itare lete kumoy dalo mati. Adhe mang dapan upgrade ko. Adhe mang dapan upgrade ko. That upgrade kado ko pa athak ono ko da japong the ko. Kalau Jepang bercerita 244 implement, wah orang apa implement lo boleh ramah itu. Laka implement lo pulau tante, ada aja kau makai lam sosial lo. Lah so fancy autonomous state itu bilangnya.
Lah si itu tulang autonomous state sing uji mante yes no. Without 6 schedule, abe pin ban autonomous state war pin to suppose.
6 schedule war pin nahi pala hoda ka tokte kya.
Alam lo,
alam se tadi
om tum views है दिशा, om tum views रासन से बांग्लो, जैसे schedule, अभी पिंड autonomous state इतुम किमोन मा, बा किम dia pusda इतुम tribal तुम मना protection long di mante.
Meghalaya autonomous state longan lo, mong 6 schedule tak dobong lah.
Yes, ente lah,
dobong lah mati.
ente 6 schedule lateng si long dia autonomous state long dia kita 6 schedule ka kinang sa tolo bodi.
Lah hola tak bangun te porte Meghalaya itu example theklang lo mati. Meghalaya example theklang lo mati. Non itu ke po bakhe 245 implement nang ko. 244 implement nang ko la implement da philo pura tang te ko PCP ma itung sa kong dokok lo mati. Itu babang sin la bakhe decide ko.
Hala appointment है सर लाडले तो अपने ऑटो 6 schedule जो सी पावे दे लो ते autonomous state
लानो ते 6 schedule पावे दे तो बगा का आवे ये के ठेगलोंग ले बड़ा गपले तुम ठेगलोंग करो तो मैं ढले करन लो आता autonomous state लो बोलते 6 schedule पावे दे नंको पड़ा का करते लासे कॉपी से नहीं बाबा गेली तो सी डिसीजन दो मत autonomous state के मेघालय का autonomous state लोग इतना सेपरेट स्टेट लोग आलो नॉर्मल का 6 schedule दो को मत Latu malam pilot, kamu kecil wajar lah. Ada jangan decision pom ada 244A implement lo tangte 6 schedule abidat nangji 6 schedule abidat ko pulai ke laki non na ili tum adhe gajer ko tengah tha alam mati.
Kali saya dak nili nanti tu kungkang tu bangkalan lo je non ong tum ke 6 schedule is too small. Some of us says that 6 schedule is too small. Therefore, autonomous state is must. Or if autonomous state is implemented in Karbi Anglong as well as in NC Hills, then it will definitely get protection from the provision of the constitution. La solang hai la se aja kun ke bio la se 6 schedule ke nangele tu komadi autonomous state sinang la so section nang tu la se inte 6 schedule is bio bolotang dente ele tum pavejet nang kuma made direct autonomous state malas
alo yes pavejet nang ji bolang ya chewa ya we mati 6 schedule ke limited power 163 mati 163 article of the governor discretionary power. Kalau dapat kita tentang bang, kalau decision ini dia mati. Tahu tu six itu awedat nang ji ko ba ko solo itu di sompi. Awedat nang ji usi to la ko kita ka to chingo salam ko. La situ ya ko no master nang ji. Otono master to se tuli nai. Otono master to se he ginani ko ba lalu mati.
Lasi.
Lalu ti.
Clear nih, appointment
Clear
clear
है।
nih sih.
Autonomous state है। Autonomous state के शिक्षक को लगे थे लोग। Autonomous state नाम जी। शिक्षक तो autonomous state बहुत है शिक्षक तो अभी
Sir,
को बाकी।
lagi ini tuh kado bawa itu mana cini lo, itu kategori itu mana cini lo. Lasik war nih lo pokoknya. Setame ladak mana itu nggak cini nanya manggil lo. Om dong atau nggak six itu ke biong bos itu six autonomous state itu mentu sih kalau maju ke cini nih. Nobody can give you the guarantees that when you will achieve autonomous state. No one can give you the guarantee. Maju tak pion aja itu anak ningkan gitu autonomous state long bukan banyak pion. So autonomous state long lihat perang itu six itu pengen kita ngajak kong. Lah itu tribes atau mapan kasih protect ji. Kira kong siapa nih itu akenan shot avi mankan.
अरे शिक्षक तो ले जाओ तो नकली लाता है अपना हमें पीछे ले जाओ फालो बिलो पावर बिलो बाबा लांग नहीं इधर कुपा तुमसे कोला दागा नहीं किमान कोला लांग क्यों कोला तो लांग नहीं नॉन को पीपी लो बिलो शिक्षक तो ले लो कोला तो लांग को यंसा लाले की शिक्षक तो आजा को नहीं कोला दांग ते अपना पीछे ना शिक्षक तो आजा को पीपी लो कोला बंदा चीनी नंग को शिक्षक तो ले को लाले की थे कोला तुम ते होला फांग है कोला बंदा चीनी नहीं नॉन को पे पोचे को पे लसे फोन दा काय एलो इंटरन फन को पीसी ऑटोनोमस काउंसिल लोंग के ऑटोनोमस काउंसिल आपको मालूम था एडवायर ताबरे दा शिक्षक तो लोंग दा प्रैक्टिकल इतो में तुम स्ट्रांग हो बुगाली पिनी दा हो पर का पिनी रिक्वेस्ट बा में पुरो इतुम आसीएम डॉक्टर तुनिरन लोंग हम बता हम नहीं या था लगा प्रैक्टिकल पे मो बन हां नहीं ना तुम चीनी
चलो सडनली 5 minutes time ना
akan mereka ASEAN atau mana tahan नहीं हमने तो रस नाम लिखी नहीं शिक्षक तो अपावर बानो लापे लगा इंटरफेरेंस को सुन सिकितो लिमिटेशन को सुन लो वो है ना कि डिटेल सारे तो लापे सुन ले रिक्वेस्ट वाला ने बाकी था ये नाम में था खान सिंह itu majir ko ino bahini to kaya limitation to ka lasi kar dia naam na ta subhit pagana ko lasi autonomous state lapen 6 schedule laso lawo bang ke confuse to nang ne 6 schedule ko nang ho apna 6 schedule ma ko better 6 schedule ma wala hat down nang ko
6 schedule franga 6 schedule available is available franga 6 schedule pia 6 schedule ka available tidi korban partu bawesa lagi
चलो ना सर अलग ही डबल पकड़ान बोलना है 6 schedule के वार्ड छोड़नो autonomous state में आर्टिकल 244 ये जाऊँ से तुम कि मांग दो लोगों ने ऐसे वार्ड छोड़नो लोग नहीं लगे खाई करना वार्ड छोड़नो कुछ बकलान लोग नहीं वार्ड में लो लापेन 6 schedule अब बारी नहीं लोग नहीं लाइन सीधा इली तुम हार अरोन के समारा जाकों के ना पिलो के दी para 2.6 lah macam orang cakong tu. Kalau so teng kan itu para 2.7 teng kan klaim ya cakong itu mana. Nah pada itu lah pakai kaca jak factory ko pakai itu mah Elvin Sar kai ke tamu kan itu mana kan on. Sinon bang kotor panelis long dalam tu alang lipan curulo itu mana views alang lipan opinion itu po. Non bang ke itu dalam tu panelis next lagi Sar Korsing Teron. Chairman Jakas.
La alang lipan card juga tu bang ke la hello bang head jong pu selawer pia ke hai pan card your question. La hello je para 20 of the 6 schedules and article 244A kacip po a relation. Again autonomous state would be created without 6 schedules. If it is so, how? If it is not, why? What is your opinion, sir?
So, respected co-panelists and esteemed participants. Ajak ke alam ke itu memang si cepat confuse bang. लाके रिलेटेड पुसिता autonomous state long lo bolote ditum gala 6 schedule ke warfi ko bola masya bi ampen gedare so nalam do Mizoram 6 schedule do ku ke Mizoram long 6 schedule ave hala mara autonomous council long 6 schedule do Meghalaya long 6 schedule ave 6 schedule ke do ke Khasi Jaintia Hills apen Garo Hills alo Meghalaya phan ke hala ke bang state government si do Lasi ili tumsi adaki pu bangke autonomous state le long sita 6 schedule da do nai ko ahogala mangala son mati jongsi ili tum pudamate biya party do lo ada khawok ta do biok ta do wok do la son thok na chu long nai ko bangali alam jongsi doji 6 schedule jongsi Meghalaya setup jongsi son do kulong Meghalaya ke hasor ke chengko ke district council hini pangrum si bilo mati di lapen hala so ho Ili tumda dumru polo te ili tuma council ta duko Meghal angsong apilo Meghalaya ta duko state government adu non ili tum suppose penap ili tum autonomous state long logo ili tum si denchor NC sa sola dimasa sa orang dengunde te polo te same area same population aphan ke administrative status ke hini gavelo na autonomous state dengna ko galite autonomous state bar pina ko 6 schedule si lo tunang ko Nearly understanding about Jongsi ilitung Dimahasau pen Karbi Anglong laso autonomous council tumsi pangrala hini pangrum petsi autonomous state ke long lo pulutang te kopiloma puji hala sugar bangke hadaka council ta dukoko ladaka council ta dukoko sita daga council apen hadaka council sita me kopiloma non acting a power banga vedatu ajhake ha state along dami La sola man itu meaning kacibisi kemi. Lapan ke 6 schedule nili pudania 6 schedule is very small, too small. 6 schedules too weak. Walam mangali lara lang nangiya mangi nili pudania. 6 schedule ke itu misunderstanding dopik, misconception dopik, misperception dopik. A concept ang lason matiti. Lason northeast a tribal la tunpan ke halasur ke particularly 6 district council fansi kipila. 6 district council fancy kipi Naga Hills, Mijo Hills, Khasi Jaintia Hills, Garo Hills, Mikir Hills, Lapenke Food NC Hills. Ita non laso 6 schedule piloma hala puta extended. Extension of provision ke aphan ke la Arunachal na tanon hala so paragraph 18 ke pavedal. Laso ba phi Tripura nata ponda. Non bange itu mange hala di BTA di lo pima do hala si jeche wanhu. Eso lameli tunggal lam ganoi mangi. La si neli ki puje bangke neli le ki pugali 1954 Shillong along autonomous council district council executive members atum anhadak meeting dolo isi kaching waidu hala bang so long bangke tu tum Karbi Anglong ma dunde Mikiris ma dunde hala daksi chingwai matter of common interest pulo ne pine la so chingwai la da hala daksi ki pulo dei nonang litu kopilema net along le dam sita longji ala V Venkata Rao ke talk a century of tribal politics in the northeast hala daksi 1954 si banga chini lor neli pu bangke 6 schedule in dubwa kwala mangali 6 schedule dorde kwala mang a limitation doko aduya hoy doko lapen hala so aduya hoy ke doko aposi ilituma banga phan ke nangni nangni man hala la so pen ta provision doko por hala le hangana hala si hangom la sidang pula captain sangma la so CM of the Garo Hills District Council pleaded for the establishment of separate hill state. He said that there was no adequate safeguards for the preservation of the identity, that is race, language and culture of the hills people in the 6th schedule. Hala so si bang pulo la pen hala so teng dam si bang ke long da long lo ili tu mange la tanangi hala tanangi po masi non puta long le la pen hala bang so sita APSL CRP sita ili tu ma ruling elite tu mange hala tu mange la person si hala VP Venkata Rao jong si nang le tum lang ko akitab le long le ta net long nang le tum download ta lang ne hala dak la son si VP Venkata Rao bang ninge lo The United Mikir and North Kasar Hills District Councils did not ask for a separate hill state. Kelong leda tadi dah lain lo. Lapengke Kopiluma po di Mikir National Council pulo tay Kopiluma laki Kardia Dorbar lo. Kardia Dorbar, which was the major political party, expressed itself against the hill state. It simply demanded greater autonomy and financial power to the district council. The North Kachar Hills Council was non-committal in this matter. Ini tum kelong le data di me bangke la tak ni. Lapan la sopo cicini ne so limitation cicini dunde. A limitation do bobe ne pulu ke. Dak bill introduce ko. Non ini tum pulo kala High Court order thing that separate methang a rule che prepare ni. A rule prepare itu na procedure ko sam lagada. Dak pito tokong bong lo CM ang secretary pilong lo kecok lo pulu lima titik. Draft ko executive betul committee approve that lo te khala dagal tum langnai prior approval of the governor duada la support approval pan hadak lo nai lo te directly governor long ilui gali through kusidami state government si ruji pulong te no ne ar meeting pik itu no antanang le pulo te gopino council so opinion claim uma unema claim hai ma hala bangalam Lasi a limitation के लाहे हाई है लो लापेंगे अगर प्रेक दो लंग है दो जी है तुम लांगनां को पे मुठे नेली पिनी लबांगसो मैं हम पे कचंगरी गांग तुम बांग के लाए लो organization दोआन फांसी तमे political party दोआन फांसी तमे ला 6 schedule पुला एसोन सोना लामा बांग के इली तुम ला सोना BO एरिया सिगे में बीवारत नंगे लो पोगा 70 years इली तुम practice लो दा Non da lada ka kopiloma kopima gabe cicini nelang pulote bang nang kopilo nang amat hapo. Lasi la bangeng to nang pon ke a hogalam mangela son chingwai nang ni poli chingwai na 5 lakh population do yeli tum kar bidu. Mata tribal atinda. La son ko pen kopiloma expert waji pui gon lo banglan bi bangketa duma we ma. Bangket ke all party benda chingwai re hadaksi chingwai si konat ma gecok ci kopi ma genang ni ala chingwai si parti doan si tame organization doan si tame abang rutin si tame la so teng si litung lang phe bang dang ni li the nang li the pulu de chok tel non dar ni si lo ma alam ek lang te alam ga peong ko lam li non ge jai ka thara 6 schedule elvin 6 schedule ko alam si klang lo la si ili tumang bong bang ke kopi ma expert ong anutin the expert mati. One thing we have to remember that this particular book, the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India, is not a tabiz. La nehem dolo te karbiang long arlo dolo te tabiz ini tuh ceko kau mati la so tabiz dolo tabelo kesuki hunde mintor minsin jata nang munelo kudodo mati di. Laket tabiz sesong gali ini tuh nehem jauh jarang kita bar ni bang dam dolo te jata nang kunelo kualam di. Kaci start nahi ke ini tuh emethang. Jok a constitutional head ta wangra la dake nang claim bipel ili tum si claim nang ko la so lama la pen non la bang so stage along bang ne kuli bang ke kani jegan tum bang kelna we have been demanding for formation of an autonomous state as provided in article 244A of the constitution 39 years non la som bong yong si itu mako 6 schedule si rinai botar ni bang mai meeting kulote gopila indirectly la ke hala autonomous state ke hang apa pan ke top start indirectly it is diverting the autonomous state movement popular la som movement mangeda la pen ke la so te kulote itu me daksi norate si doverna ko itu ma guardian minister bang ko Nonge guardian minister buke, HD minister eli tuma guardian minister eli tuma HD minister da longonde mati da bang free MLA do, inu ta longonde pucu dun prangon ake, a convention na tenge long nai ke, long nai bukan bang guardian minister to unconstitutional guardian minister wanglo te gopilo ma puji angpun pleng sat puhor wak dunang lan gopilo ndela lasi lahai kado kabe mansi me thang chi sari pute khala bang so sap aja kong aja piti bang se article 244A bang ke demand bo la penjong si kado kabe ta punang nelo la 6 schedule nanda dorlo pulote choglo so te nona te chodun bom nang dudun bom nang pulote lale ka preglam laka cingwai pemi nang cingwai pemi sing ton kok nang thang abi ke upilama la e pran jipe damtar nang ne jakong jipe damtar nang ne apor jipe damtar nang ne to
sir ladak apor long ji sida dak isinili rat pan clarification nang pan ke pikan tung banggalan lo 6 schedule itum dor lapo pu apanta kali sita ilitum autonomous state hangbom ho jong si ilitum hanang pitanga ja kong do koklo pulong te dak ison suni ahormu hedi iladan ilitum man kahe bagati do kokla ke ilitum infiltration alam bang ko influx alam bang ko ang tam pen asila hai ke khangja panta ilitum 6 dula ja kong pen paragraph 2 sa paragraph 7 na teng pen ilitum phala dak provision du
lailo te provision du
actual dor put opan kali
provision do
embrek kedang ko setame embrek long ni apna prang tabe itum pan constitution men protection
lapen nelita pupe hemprek long le pulote labang war cornang pupe lake ahuma relationship bang labuson mantiti ilitu mahanang e plang tribal area nang e plang le lale ka prega history le hala so teng si ilitu man ke separate scheme busipu ambedkar masipu la so bang pan ke kupina separate scheme hala general tumpen preketi general anta tribal tumang bongtala central tribal belt tumpen ke fifth schedule ban geli tum effect jadi lasi non ne ligi pu bang ke kaning yang tum bang ke bello autonomous state yang bong po 6 schedule nang ne lo ku alam mangali non mat ke tum 6 schedule kan si cari bom lo mati di dak kopia ja kong si tum phan nang pi ma hala bang ke CSR nang ku hala bang ke warna ni ku alam bang ke avelu lapen ke hada kopi pia provision ma do open bugong le longli po alam dikame longli dai metang si chok che ma tibi hala kopi no mikir hills land revenue act hala ke si flood act ku pudang di ma kopi no mai litum phan ke hala so ke paragraph 3 alo ngateng gulong dai litum phan ke longli abu thake council phan par pi allotment setting aside of lapen ke kopilo mai si bang ke use and occupation of land sinang pijo pulong de sida kopilo mai litum ke bang tu bang ke hala general rule si bang tan lo Assam land revenue regulation 1886 si bang tan lo buru de lage generalize der wan lo ta hala part 10 bang ta apply ke litum part 10 do ada la protected belt and block alam do ta hala ta litum da ke kopilo ma apply ke pulong te lake general damjil lason si gopilo ma ilitum la bangsa ek kachi prepare abo ilitum ma thape non ajaga ek ke ilitum chelar nani la pen chelarun jong si all india national level ta IPC la pen ke CRPC larun bulu te ilitum pilo larun ne de larun nai ge lasi la bangke muthe ne ligi puja bangke sik sedung ka pangtang ke toar suding ali ko arong gali sik sedul kona lo dagyo pangtang nai lasi 6 schedule non la ke do tangan hala long le ko ta lapang tang nang ipulong te puloma ilitung arlo kilutun long imang phan bori nei hong pen hang dun ta ke chok ching long le la so lam mang si neli ni ye kang tu la si non ma ke neli ke la pan si ing tong la ka do
Suro lo sir nang itum phan klar da phan polo je 6 schedule autonomous state article 244A kasira blok la bang so lam alang phan polo la pen hele tum puthor alang dam sulong ji dam sulu na sita me kapre ka panelist itu mau na kitong dun dut lang si alang li phan sil tu puthor hang chupo so we would like to go to our next panelist next we have Sir Raju Duri. So to Sir Raju Duri we would like to place a question, that is, some of the people says that 6th schedule is too small for administration in tribal areas. Therefore, implementation of Article 244A, that is state within state, is necessary. How true it is for you?
Thank you.
You are from outside the 6th schedule areas.
Of course. Anyway, thank you so much for inviting me. Your respected state panelists are there, and you the audience are there. Anyway, thank you so much.
Acha
let me ask one simple question before I start my opinion. Murgi agot ahe na anda agot ahe? Please tell me. Anda agot ahe na murgi agot ahe? Anybody? Ha? Apuni kobo anda, hi kobo murgi. Eta kar kotha ami mani? Ami panelist kar kotha mani?
No answer.
Huh?
Answer
Okay, there is a confuse. Number one, point to be noted. Secondly, we all are Indian. We accept? Yeah. Sir? We all accept we are Indian. Third question, are you all scheduled tribe? I'm talking specifically about their tribal area. It's called scheduled tribe. It is not written by Raju Deri or the panelist. It is written by those genius people who thought about the backward and economically backward people like us, so-called missing Deori Kalbis. Economically, socially backward people, they deserve the word called scheduled tribe. Scheduled tribe, you cannot go and beg like a beggars. Etia moran motok ahum. Even Kolita bilage bisarise amak scheduled tribe certificate dio. Are etu bazar poa bostu na ki kokso? Ha sir? Bazarat scheduled tribe certificate to pai naki? Pai. Eta tribal hongoton eta ase, he hodai besi bilak khai ase. And because of that hongoton, aji Sonapro tribal elega amar mati gusi gol. Okay? Now coming back to history, Bengal Act, which sir was preparing. 1873 Bengal Act to ki kane aisile? Bengal Act to aisile. British e bonaisile. Amar nisna manuhok jot ami concentrate kori takung. The word compact. General tribal manu jot take noy. Garo hok, apunar Karbi hok, ami confined jaga takung. Hey confined jaga to protection dibor karone. Hey Bengal Act to aisile. Hey Bengal Act to follow kori pelai. Tar agot as a protected class boli ahai pelai he aso bell and block concept to aile. Eta concept to apnar ko moi ko. যে scheduled tribe বুলি কোৱাৰ পিছত 6 scheduled বুলি এলেকাত কৰ পৰা আহিলে ইন্টারেস্ট টু কভার থাকিব লাগিব হয় নে নহয় there must be somewhere some specific reason থাকিব লাগিব when I talk about the 6th schedule as a advocate as a social activist সদায় তাত কি এটা থাকিব লাগিব আমি যেতে এনজিও কৰো সোসাইটি এটা কৰো এম এন অবজেক্ট থাকে না না থাকে থাকে না এটা 6 schedule বুলি কোৱা লগে লগে there is a particular word sir হয় না so to protect and preserve your land and interest বুলি কয় হয় না স্যার হয় না এটোটো আছে এটা কাক protect কৰিব লাগে who deserve to be protected why they deserve to be protected হয় না we backward people need to be protected that is why the constitution is protecting us কোনোবা মাইকেল আর কোনোবা বামুনই আমাৰ protection দিয়াটো আমাক নালাগে আমাৰ সংবিধানে protection দিছে সেই সংবিধানটো কোনে লিখিছে ডক্টৰ আম্বেদকাৰৰ লিডাৰশ্বিপ লিখি পেলাই এই কনস্টিটিউশন scheduled tribe scheduled caste বুলি শব্দ দুটা আছে সেই দুটা শব্দটো লৈ পেলাই আমি আজি গৌৰৱ কৰিছো নৰ্থ ইষ্টৰ যিবিলাক ট্ৰাইবেল আমি ৰাজা নিচিনা জীয়াই আছো আপুনি যদি নৰ্থ বেলত যায় ইউপি বিহাৰত ট্ৰাইবেল মানুহ আজিলৈকে মন্দিৰত আহিব নিদিয়ে ইমান দূৰলৈ আপুনি নাযাব আমাৰ মাজুলী আই এম ফ্ৰম লখিমপুৰ তাতে মাজুলী সত্ৰ বুলি কয় মন্দিৰ তাতে ট্ৰাইবেল মানুহ আমাৰবিলাকক সোমাবলৈ নিদিয়ে এইটো ডিসক্ৰিমিনেশন হয় নে নহয় ডিসক্ৰিমিনেশন হয় নে নহয় হয় আমাক সৰে সেগ্ৰিগেট কৰে আমাক যেটা কয় সেকেন্ড ক্লাস বুলি কয় সংবিধানে কৈছে নহয় তোমালোকে সেকেন্ড ক্লাস তোমালোকে সান অফ দা সয় ইকুয়ালি যদি প্রটেকশন দিবলৈ যায় ইকুয়ালি সেফগার্ড যদি দিবলৈ যায় তেতিয়া হলে আমাক কি লাগিব সংবিধান এটা লাগিব সেই সংবিধানটো হৈ গল 6 শিডিউল কৈ আছে যে মিনি কনস্টিটিউশন আমি একসেপ্ট কৰিছো এটা মই একসেপ্ট কৰিব নোৱাৰিম যে 6 শিডিউলটো ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট না অটোনমি স্টেটটো ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট আরে বাবা কোনে আগত আহে না আন্দা আগত হয়তো মুৰ্গী আগত আহিব very interesting question নহয় জানো আমাক 6 শিডিউলে দিলে এটা মই ট্ৰাইবেল মানুহ মই দেউৰী মানুহ মোৰ ঘৰটো সাংগৰ মেড অফ বম্বু হাউস এটা বম্বু হাউচত যদি এটা কুটা পৰি যায় বা হাৱাত যদি টিনটো উৰাই লৈ যায় সেই গড়টো মই ৰিপেয়াৰিং কৰিব লাগে না নালাগে আপোনাৰ 6 শিডিউল বুলি কৈ পেলাই আজি কালি বুলি নহয় আপোনালোকক দিলে 1952 আপোনালোকক অলৰেডি 6 শিডিউল দিলে আজি 70 বছৰ আপোনালোকে কি কৰি আছিলে এই দাদা ক'লে আমি 39 ইয়াৰ্স অটোনমাস ষ্টেটৰ কাৰণে লাগি আছো বহুতখিনি মানুহৰ লাইফ গ'ল বহুতখিনি ষ্টুডেণ্টৰ লাইফ বৰবাদ হৈ গ'ল মানুহ ফিজিক্যালি মেন্টালি ইনজুৰ হৈ গ'ল না ব্ৰাদাৰ আজিলৈকে আমি পোৱা নাই what is the root cause now আপোনালোকে কৈ আছে ইয়াত এটা কথা কৈ আছে এটা এমেন্ডমেন্টৰ কথা মই এমেন্ডমেন্টৰ কথা লৈ নেযায় my opinion regarding the 6th schedule and article 244 এক কথাটো ক'বলৈ গৈছো আৰু 244 এটো আমাক ষ্টেট পাৱাৰটো দিবলৈ গৈছে আমি যেতিয়া কনস্টিটিউশন যিটো 6th schedule হয় তাকে যদি এক্সাৰসাইজ কৰিব নোৱাৰো তাকে যদি ভালকৈ এডমিনিষ্ট্ৰেচন কৰিব নোৱাৰো আৰু আপোনাক ষ্টেটটো দি কি লাভ হ'ব কওকচোন সেই কথাটোতে ককাইটোৱে কৈ আছে সেইটো কি কাৰণে মই কৈছো এতিয়া সব আপোনালোকক পাৱাৰ দিছে লেজিসলেটিভ এক্সিকিউটিভ জুডিচিয়াৰী তিনটা পাৱাৰ আপোনাৰ হাতত আছে আপোনালোকৰ কাৰ্বিয়া লগত কি নাই জংগলৰ পৰা লৈ পেলাই ভাত বালুৰ পৰা লৈ পেলাই গছ গছনি লোহা কয়লা সব আছে কিন্তু আপুনি এনজয় কৰিব পাইছে না পোৱা নাই আপুনি পোৱা নাই আপুনি নোপোৱাৰ কাৰণে আমাক এই প্ৰটেকচন কৰিবৰ কাৰণে আমাক 6 শিডিউলটো লাগে বুলি কৈ পেলাই সেই দিনৰ ব্ৰিটিছে আমাক দিয়া বস্তু হয় আজি অৰুণাচলৰ নিচিনা এটা ষ্টেট গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট এক টুকুৰা মাটি নাই one of the biggest state in northeast is অৰুণাচলৰ পাহাৰত এতিয়া কোনো মানুহ তাত ঘুমাব নোৱাৰে এটা হৈ গ'ল IPL বেংগল এক্ট হিহঁতক বচাই আছে নম্বৰ 2 তাত গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট ক্লেম কৰিব নোৱাৰে ইভেন নদীৰ পাথৰ এটা উঠাবলৈ গ'লে গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট has to take the permission from the villagers from the owner of the land আপোনাক সেম অধিকাৰ দিয়া আছে কাৰ্বি আংলঙক এতিয়া কাৰ্বি আংলং 6 শিডিউল আৰু 6 শিডিউল অটোনমাস ষ্টেট লৈ পেলাই আপোনালোকে সদায় ডিবেট এটা হৈ আছে আপোনালোকৰ মাজত ডিবেট এটা হৈ আছে ডিবেট হোৱাটো ভাল কথা ইট ইজ এ পজিটিভ সাইন কিন্তু what is the outcome আপোনাৰ মাটি আপুনি প্ৰটেকচন কৰিব পৰা নাই আমি ল যেতিয়া দিল্লী ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি LLM কৰিছিলো তাতে আমাৰ এটা আহিছিলে ল'ৰা এটা আহিছিলে আফ্ৰিকাৰ পৰা আফ্ৰিকাত যদি বিয়া কৰিবলৈ হলে শাদী কৰিবলৈ গ'লে ফাৰ্স্ট তাক খুদে তোমাৰ মাইকি তুমি প্ৰটেকচন কৰিব পাৰিব না নোৱাৰিব if you cannot protect your wife then you are not eligible to get married এটা আফ্ৰিকান ষ্টুডেণ্ট আমাক এনে কৈছে so same thing 6 শিডিউলক যদি আপুনি প্ৰটেকচন কৰিব নোৱাৰে আপুনি ৰক্ষণাবেক্ষণ যদি দিব নোৱাৰে আপুনি ফুল প্লে যদি ইউটিলাইজ যদি কৰিব নোৱাৰে আপোনাৰ ফাণ্ডখিনি যদি আপুনি ইউটিলাইজ কৰিব নোৱাৰে তেতিয়াহলে অটোনমাস আপগ্ৰেডেশন কৰি কিবা লাভ আছে নেকি দিস ইজ মাই স্মল কোৱেশ্চন So guys, tell me, upgradation ketia lage? Amak etia already UCC ahi ase. Amar tribal nathakibo apnaloke jiman khajia kori ase noy. 6 schedule autonomous state. I tell you, please note it. After 10 years, there will be no scheduled tribe land. Mati nathakibo. Amar jiblak bell and block. Amar protection okane chapter 10 tekede koisle. Chapter 10 or apnaloke Karbi Anglongor 6 schedule mati koto ekta shobdo koa nai. কতো কোৱা নাই দাদা আৰু এইটো ল্যান্ড পলিসি কতো আপোনাৰ 6 শিডিউলৰ মাটি এক শব্দ কোৱা নাই মাত্ৰ বেল এণ্ড ব্লকৰ কথা কৈছে তো আপোনাৰ 6 শিডিউলৰ মাটিৰ মালিক আপুনি হৈ পেলাই হাবি জংগল চপাৰ কৰা মানুহ আপোনাৰ অধিকাৰটো নাইকিয়া হৈ গ'ল when your right is violated constitution is there to protect you need to fight for your right what do you need your strength is very important Constitution iman power dia pisoto ami jodi utilize koribo nora ami jodi approach koribo nora apnalokor leader ase MLA ase MP ase council ase apnalokor hoi pele mat matibo joa manu Delhi ase no hodonar manu ase no aji 39 years ki koile kokai koksu your voice mane me koksu it is so he kane ek dofa ami kono $60 dala ko eta hoblo dekha nai apnalokor mati protection আৰু এই ল্যান্ড গ্ৰেবিং এক্ট এটা আসামলি গেজেট নোটিফিকেশন আমি এডভোকেট এইটোবিলাক ৰিফাৰ কৰো তো ইয়াতো আপোনালোকক এটা দফা দিয়া না প্ৰটেকচনৰ কাৰণে কিন্তু 6 শিডিউলটো ইমান দুনিয়াকৈ কৈছে টু প্ৰটেক্ট ইয়োৰ ইন্টাৰেষ্ট কালচাৰ ল্যান্ড আইডেন্টিটি এভৰিথিং আৰু সেই জায়গা এতিয়া মোক যদি সুধে আপোনালোকে 6 শিডিউলটো আৰু 224 এৰ ডিফাৰেন্স কি বা আপুনি কোনটো কি বুলিব যদি অপিনিয়ন দিয়ে মই সেইকাৰণে সুধিছো মুৰ্গী আগত আহে না আণ্ডা আগত আহে 6 শিডিউলটো অলৰেডি মই পাইছোৱে কিন্তু আজি মই আপগ্ৰেডেশ্যন কৰিবলৈ বিচাৰিছো আপগ্ৰেডেশ্যন হোৱাটো কোনো নিবিচাৰে নহয় আমি সকলোৱে ছাপোৰ্ট কৰিম ছাপোৰ্ট কৰিবলৈ হ'লে কি আমাক লাগিব কওকচোন আৰে বাবা কিবা এটা দুখটো লাগিব ন কিবা এটাতো লাগিব এলিমেণ্ট এটা আমাৰ এমএলএ সদনত গৈ পেলাই মাত মাতিব লাগিছিলে আমাৰ এমপি গৈ পেলাই চিঞৰিব লাগিছিলে যোৱাকালি 2006 বড়োলেণ্ড আহিছে এছকে বসুমতাৰী সুষমা বসুমতাৰী যেতিয়া পাৰ্লামেণ্ট থিয় হৈ পেলাই কান্দি আছিলে সি আজি বড়োলেণ্ড আনিছে 6 শিডিউল জেগা যদি আপোনাৰ অট'নমাছ ষ্টেট যদি ল'বলৈ যায় ৰাইজে ৱেলকাম কৰিবই নকৰা নহয় কিন্তু ছাবজেক্ট টু কণ্ডিশ্যন what basis you want a state what is your capability what is your potential hey potential to আপোনালোকে আন্ডাৰষ্টেণ্ড কৰি নিজকে কৰি আছে বে আজি ডেটত আপোনালোকে কেপেবল হয় I don't undermine you কিন্তু কেপেবল হৈ পেলাই আমাৰ ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্টেটিভ হৈ পেলাই আজি আকৌ আমাৰ অট'নমি কাউন্সিলত কোনোবা এটা মিনিষ্টাৰ দাদা কোন আছিলে ইয়াৰ মিনিষ্টাৰটো অট'নমি কাউন্সিলত কোনোবা এটা মিনিষ্টাৰ ৰিপৰ্ট কৰিছিল নাই না মাজত কথা ওলাইছিলে চ' আমাৰ মিনিষ্টাৰ কেৱল লাগে আমাৰ ৰাইজ আমি কাৰ্বি মানুহ আমি কাৰ্বিয়াৰ লগত থকা মানুহ আমাৰ কাউন্সিল আছে আমাৰ কাউন্সিল আমাৰ কাৰণে কাম কৰিব লাগে না নালাগে কওকচোন ৰাইজ জোৰ কৈ কওক লাগে না নালাগে যদি লাগে সিহঁতি যদি নকৰে সিহঁতক ৰিপ্লেচটো আমি কৰিব লাগে ডেম'ক্ৰেচিটো পাব্লিকে মালিক হয় চ' আমি মালিক হৈ পেলাই আমি সিহঁতৰ আণ্ডাৰত কেনেকৈ থাকিম এতিয়া 6 শিডিউলটো আপুনি কৈছে যে এইটোতো সৰু বস্তু আৰু কেনেকুৱা সৰু বস্তুৰে পুখুৰীৰ পৰাই সাগৰ হয় হয়নে নহয় এবাকৰ পৰাই 2 টকা হয় কৰা টকা কেনেকৈ আহে চ' সেইকাৰণে মই এইটোৱে ক'বলৈ বিচাৰিছো যে 6 শিডিউল এলেকা যিটো এতিয়া আহিছে আমাৰ এই ইছ্যুটো একো নহয় এইটো ইছ্যুটো মানুহক কনফিউজ কৰিবলৈ আহিছে এইটো এটা মানুহক দুৰ্বল বনাবলৈ আহিছে এতিয়া যিটো কথাটো কৈ আছে ইয়াত আমাৰ এইটো এমেণ্ডমেণ্টৰ কথাটো কৈ আছে এইটো 125
Sir, amendment will go to the second session.
Okay. মই ইয়াতে কথা এটা এইটো 6 শিডিউলৰ কথাটোৱে সেইটোৱে মই ক'বলৈ বিচাৰিছো I would like to say this my opinion that 6 schedule whether it is 6 schedule or autonomous state I don't see any difference I see difference only the attitude and mentality of the people this is the one of the most important ingredients when I am looked down by the so-called educated people maybe my own community maybe the other outsiders and I am deprived of my justice and we should fight for that justice I stand with them. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. As you have pointed out that without the strengthening a 6 schedule, it is really hard to achieve Articles 244A. That is what you specified. And apart from that, you also spoke about the importance of 6 schedule. And the people of Karbi Anglong and the Mahasal should really exercise the power with whatever we have at present to gain the autonomous state Articles 244A. Thank you, sir. Now we would also like to go to the next panelist. Next, we would like to go to Sir Roton Inti. We would like to place one question to him. The section of people says that the 6 scheduled areas land belong to the state government, not in Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. So, what does 6 schedule says over land rights as per para 1A of the 6 schedule?
Ini panel discussion due to Pichari Pong, Anchor Bailey, Lapan Kitchen Seat Danke. First of all, I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to my friend Elvin Teran for his interest in the advisor for 6 autonomous district. Congratulations to the 10 autonomous council. Ni bangke hoppena bangke ni bang tabe. Teran sahu punam kurilo. Actually out of station. Amala nangi tunta vedat lo. Lapan ini kumasi organize ma ni hoppet bang chini ne hala bang tani lang ledat lo I was just communicate through phone but I didn't know who is organizing this one. But I'm happy I'm able to come. La pen dang de pen api la puteron sang ho pen. Jingki thulo akai te tu mat siwang le lo. Aja ka dim dim bang ke comment thek long lo. La hai tu han lang dor lo wali lang se lo. Ko anu ma ke lang ji ko. La sine ke discussion anu bang ke dunde lo non ke ko sin ni ke si. Api teron sang ho bang tu lo la puke PHLC mo chu thu bang ke te ho pe lam bang ke BJP tum se organize a 6 schedule discussion lo bang si. Itu makiling lang kun cho sono bo tai chi pula. La si la so discussion lo bang ke ni le kai ta pulo. La pen 6 schedule alam le ro wala jitu long le alam le nang kuch tame. 6 schedule lo bang ke Autonomous Council ka chari tum an abang ke chinil limitation bang ke. Nili kai sita pupe jitu 6 schedule do nang le ko bang. 6 schedule lo bang ke punya bang ke limitation do. Itu school college ki chungpu un busame primary level an choji. Lapen itu mak culture tradition lain itu protect panabar saina pi. Longle aja ang deng bangke ajab sitame dak dangai ci rajundi abar sai bangke je longle. Wifi sami kachini nahi bangke je it is very good and it's very attractive when we talk about 6 schedule. Yeah, that is the reason why in many other part of the country, even Ladakh, now they want to go for 6 schedule. But we as a most oldest 6 schedule, we understand some of the limitation. As my friend Alvin Teran has already cited, there are some lagunas. Laguna are there, some limitation are there. Allah so limitation mukha overcome ji pulote, nitum determine lagi, nitum je rigid lagi, ajak lo nitum acap lagi. State kan ajak apa tu nitum fan, nakit jom tu, nakit bear nakit suppress bangke, ini tu halai bangke, je akai stame kicip pehlo pon un kacap tipang lagi. 6 schedule pulote nitum upilama, technical bostu non, towar ke bunai puna, irrigation mukha kami klaim puna. Hal hai ka technical anak tuan ni tundam ni non technical mukha bosudam utati. Hal hai lo pulote ni tu kesik sakdo lapen je ke claim damun ko an mawar sai ho kitche gunang e tipe na banke ni tu population banke household banke nearly 1.5 lakh 2 lakh baksudo no ito population to piglo. La sopot si de 244 nang pinangpo lapen la sopot tu implement lo putel la an se angkang tipi ni tu kam se claim unpo. Halaba. Lapen longle na phelan na ajana a limitation ke do bangke group of minister tumjong si Assam government na tumjong si aning hanglo polote ajat tamini tumang supersede nang kuripun. Lasin ladak lo polote mathatang ni bang gupiloma itu ngachita nai bangke lalo je 6 schedule angkang ki pena bangke itu laan so se gichari nangi polote Rada bhan chalang ni pelote develop nahi pitum hangkong pelote nitum bangke 244 implement ang program na hangkong. La sine bangke ki pudam nangi la sondo. La ana ningkani litu. Autonomous Council chari deda pi no la so por hu mopen teron sa hota pulo 6 itu lalang ku pipo si chithan mo na. Ahap pedalam bangke 6 itu chithan dam re nahi la pena por ki padam re nahi por maximum ke kanilo 244 ni tumhana implement kina la ben congress tumbang ke ninje bomlo BJP tong polisi kitong do ne chine congress tu ninje bomlo pen so provisions tame kitilo bilansi itistame 1986 tame already ka do kabela swala ta dak jai dak jitu kina so wanda do elo dak people sit on master nai tu banke la hamo la pe longle phela la mu pela julo ali no government atunang si state government atunang si edi ko pine a policy and to pen pine len equation kuriji pulote ajab along le dak stame ili tumpen nang kicerai la pen government la phan ki en poji aja ko malang tumlong to itu mal limitation gal hando non itu lang dana mo pen da pulote first time history long ke lahai ta neni tu hak ban ki surrender from time immemorial since the conception of Tabingam Thomas Council we always had our minister from the Hills district. be it from NC Hill, be it from Karbi Anglong. But for the first time, why no minister who is being elected from Karbi Anglong Autonomous Region or NC Hill, who people of people that pelata. Lata ki chok chit he piglo, lata ni to fan voice ki suppress na kurilo, or are we surrendering ourselves to the higher authority? Itum ke surrender lo. Lata di tum tunangi ke. A power to no evena claim mun de belegala. At least hala so bangke litum Karbi Anglong aga phan pathera ke de nai latam kinai.
So you mean to say that land belongs to the state government, not with the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council?
It belongs to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, of course, no doubt. But if need be, if there is any need required, the government of Assam can requisition it. Hala ni pulai bang. La so pot bang si, lituma bangke, hokper bangke, lahai ka do ka be phan, pensi pehloji pulote. La pengenang soda bangke itu ning isi det ahok pet pen je autonomous state bang sinang la pen beda ke thang ta lo la pen la so lam bang emili mat long le lam pe la pa bang sin le point out puri lo la pen limit ma limitation lam ta ning je lo la an sin on ko ni le ning je sing to ni kalo kadam.
Thank you sir. So rolo ilitum ha long le lam lang sin betame na baklar support the audience. Atum han dame male tum dame karjum tum do dai dame le tum la panelist tum han ati tandet persi le tum asap sap apor le tum kapathika tengpen tum diponji ase sau paning ding cheno non panelist bahani dola le tum la first session kapatang je han se non bangke we have our panelists.
Non aduntu lahelo itum pini akaprek attract pen kami resource person hai sa papondo alangli lake akihai SK alangli retired ACS officer lo asi alangli tham karju ponji aputa ke lahelo मैं जॉन ले तो असर तो नहीं तिया के हाई पान कार्जू लगम सो क्वेश्चन आपु तक से आजू कौन पो well next we have another panelist that is Mr. S. Thiek, retired ACS officer. Sir, my question to you is that section of people says that 6 scheduled areas lands belong to the state government, not in Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. So what does 6 schedule says over land rights? As per paragraph 3 clause 1A of the 6 schedule.
My background, as you know, is from a public servant, and I'll speak in that oration, number one. Number two, all of you might be thinking from where it comes. I'm a child of the 6th schedule, from the village of North Kachar Hills, and 100% have a spirit of the 6th schedule and the tribe. So my background is 6th schedule, and my blood is also 6th schedule, and whatever I would like to come out is in that nature. Before I just get into what you have asked me, I'll try to give in the administrative framework of it first. Then I'll go to the last one. The so-called we have now 6th schedule in there, maybe of Karbi Anglong, or maybe of NC, or maybe Tripura, or maybe Mizoram or Meghalaya. These are all inherited and born and a real child, a true child of totally protected areas. Totally protected area was defined by somebody. I had gone through one of the South Indian, what's called a writer, saying that they are kept outside reform. No reform will be allowed inside. To me, that was the writer was my teacher. But today I would even tell him, saying that no, this is negative narration. protected area, totally excluded area doesn't mean that we don't love them. Out of love, this protected area comes. We don't allow others to interfere. We don't allow other systems to go and pollute them. You know, any kind of social interactions, a portion of pollution comes. Any kind of interference comes. Infringement is a part of the what's called that kind of activities that comes along. The system of the tribals are so good and so pure. I said this is the very pure. The system we have is so pure and so beautiful. And what's called a heartfelt, good thought people say that no, if general people go in there, there will be intervention and they need protection. That's why we said don't interfere at all. In the last administrative language, they say a state legislature also cannot interfere in their system. Kindly not. If one of confusion, the state legislature directly cannot interfere. It only need a permission from a governor. The word governor here is not what actually one of our panelists said. A governor kept my files 3 months pending, 8 months pending. Let us not take that kind of negative role of a governor. Let us take the governor as a holy man, God's representative, who is genuine, who has a love, a real love, genuine love for the children, who need protection. That means the tribal. Let us look in that aspect. If governor happened to go wrong, let us say that, no, let us forget, let us forgive him. Let us honor him. Governor is God's agent and pure, who have a true love, a genuine love, and who should give a genuine protection. And not that as a means of tools in the hand of somebody. Cabinet advised him not to do, and he doesn't do. Let us not have the governor of that kind of things. Who is the defaulting governor is not actually, he is a sinner. Let us not take that he is his rule, that is his right. That right, wrongly used, wrongly used, he will not be a virtue. Let us take the virtue of things. Governor ought to be the man, the holy man who think it holy, who think it really protection and a true love for the citizen. That is a governor. Here the word we use governor is that kind of thing. Not the faulty one, not the person who doesn't behave well. You might have seen many people, governor doesn't behave well at one time. That is not common functioning of governor. He is a holy man. He will protect. Only with the permission of governor, feeling that the right and privilege and the beauty of the tribal culture and society will not infringe and will not do by putting an act. Only those cases governor will recommend to the state legislation for passing legislation. And some of the books we have gone through, pick one or two, and these are all Bazaar Note. So many of you are students, is it? I was also a teacher, and the students who use Bazaar Note, they write very fluent, but the language is not very, it is not mark-bearing notes. Use the real text. I have one book that is published from Parliament House. It is Government of India publication. In the book, the first sentence before the first sentence of the 6th schedule is written. The 6th schedule is not, 6th schedule area is not applicable for Parliament to touch, to pass rules and to interfere here and there. Any act made by them will be an act provided Council says yes. I think let us go for that holiness. That a real in-depth of thoughts which are kept in India, the great Indian constitution, and those interpretations by the lawyers or business group, let us not take so much. You can use for reference. But the real text is that the law passed by Parliament is also not applicable in autonomous council area, taken from totally protected area. It can be applied only when the autonomous council, they said, yes, we adopt. The right is still denied. We are not referring to the Parliament in that aspect. Now, coming back to the rule, 1886 Land Law of Assam, that is the original text is written, not applicable to autonomous districts. Okay? The land belongs to the people. The people are represented by traditional head called the Gambura. And the other franchise that comes later on, we represent the heart of the people. That MDCs and the honorable EMs and the cabinets, if you count all their heads till today, they will not constitute more than 0.2% of the population of the people. And whatever they decide in may not be fully correct. The truth is that it is the people's land. And government doesn't own the land. If they take by force, they're doing error. Let us take the case of your own child. You have a child. You gave him some right. You have a right to beat him also. But a person who keep beating the child and without without guiding correctly is not a good father. If government can take a right of the land, but only with the consent of, the best is with the consent of the council. Otherwise, no. Let us say no. People take away by force. No. It is sin. Let us not take among ourselves that, oh, they take away, and the authority. No. Let us not recognize. Number one. Number two, in totally protected area, the area is...
I have 3 minutes more time.
Okay.
Or 20 minutes.
In the matter of totally protected area, totally non-interference area by government, that include the land and the people, the culture, the education, everything, including the atmosphere. Totally good area. Let us genuinely take. You have a genuine right. It is a genuine responsibility, and let us follow them holistically. If you say that I'm looking after my own land, oh, if I can take care also, government will take, and that means you are not a faithful owners. Let us be a faithful owners. We should have a citizen's right. Let us live it holistically, and let us say that, no, this is our land. This is my land. If government try to take it, let us protest. No, don't take it. We have a guts to take. Somebody keep writing government will take away. Doesn't mean that they'll take away. No. Don't allow to take away. I don't think you are the owner, then anybody else. The last aspect I just want to mention is here. You know, the traditions are more in-depth than formulated laws. The traditions have bigger value than a written laws. Written law is prepared by somebody who is slightly brainy, and that brainy can be a cunning also. You know, what we use, clever. Clever in the true sense is cunning. So somebody will have a slightly cunning thought and keep adding. Written laws are, to me, for autonomous councils, not better than the available traditions. The tribal lands, the tribal culture, especially the tribals of Northeast India, we look better, we look more clean, we live more disciplined, and we are better citizens than any tribe. Tribal, what they use in Delhi, kindly don't follow them. The tribal they refer to who are in Rajasthan, Gujarat, they are very low. They are not like you and me, who are live a life with dignity. Let us really live with the Sikh Schedule. Sikh Schedule doesn't apply in Rajasthan, you know. Feel that you are higher, you are chosen one. Feel that your line is better, you have to live it better, and don't allow the people to come in and generalize. Finally, no UCC. Uniform is not applicable to me. It's my right. I don't want. Don't want. You'll be dirty. They'll make you dirty. They'll make you polluted. Lastly, tradition of the village. You might look them down, but there is a value. If you respect ancestral man, you are still better man. If you have a right to cut your ancestral by putting your vote, you will not be a better man than your grandfathers. Let us try to protect the integrity of the tribal culture and the tribal villages. This is what I look at, and it belongs to all of us, and the right owner is the Gamburas. We are representing with the children of the Gamburas. We belong to that village. And as I said, that interest has to be protected by somebody. We cannot call God and live with us. We have the agent, genuine agent, who is not elected by people, who is not doing by political campaign. There is a governor. Let us value the governor and let us respect. I think we should be better. Let us be a better people than other general people. Now, they protect us. Now we'll protect us. We are happy. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. So, since we are running short of time for the first session, we have a last panelist with us. He is none other than Sir J.I. Kathar, IAS retired. So the question to him will be a section. Some of the questions are repeating because we have 8 number of panelists. But we will have different opinion and their views. So this time we will take that a section of people says that in 6 scheduled areas, land belongs to the state government, not in the KAC. So what does the 6th schedule says over land right as per para 1, para 3, 1A of the 6th schedule?
Thank you, everyone. We respect the opinion of all the resource persons here. And I have already said earlier also, this is not entertainment. It is for knowledge. Knowledge is power, after all. So, the straightforward question is that land belongs to, according to the 6th schedule, land belongs to the autonomous council. Settlement, the word settlement is a word of an act, not of a constitution. Therefore, the word settlement is at present in the Assam Land Revenue Regulation. It is a regulation, it is an act. It is that Assam Land Revenue Regulation is not a constitution. If we make our law for land and revenue under paragraph 3, then in our act, the word settlement will be there. How to settle land how to survey land, all these things will be in the Act. Therefore, at present, the word settlement is not in the 6th schedule. Whether we like it or not, there are very conflicting in opinion, but somehow 6th schedule seems to be a mini constitution. That is the reason I think that now 125th Constitution Amendment Bill, but the amendment is 62. Is it not so? Yes. The amendment is only in 6th schedule, but it is called Constitution. So that I think I may be wrong. Still, I do not want to say something against anybody. We have got our own opinions. But what I feel is that whether B.L. Hansaria or Muhammad Hidayatullah, both of them somehow agree to say that it is some kind of a constitution. Whether mini or so many, I don't know. No, I mean, it's more English. So take koya silo ako. Ito digdar ako niki kuni bole. Mane alam ako karbi bhasha. Kotha to neka hoise. Ye question to prosno to whether land is with council, autonomous council. Lands and revenue is under autonomous council. That is for sure. In fact, ako in English. The 6th schedule to bonwa hoise because of matir karone he bonwa hoise. Eta to the main important point was subject was mati. Hetu karone 6th schedule bonwa hoise. Aru cultural kotha, law, aru amar identity eibor kotha hai a 6th schedule to bonwa hoise. Amar administrative traditional administrative system thakibo lage ei bilakor karone hai etu 6th schedule to bonwa hoise. Hei karone B.L. Hansaria ji kobo ba Muhammad Hidayatullah ji mane noko তেওঁলোকো এটাৰ এগ্ৰিমেণ্টটো হয় যে এইটো 6th schedule কিবা এটা কনষ্টিটিউচনটো হয় সেইকাৰণে যিটো 125th এমেণ্ডমেণ্ট কনষ্টিটিউচন এমেণ্ডমেণ্ট বিল দেই এতিয়া 125th কনষ্টিটিউচন এমেণ্ডমেণ্ট বিল এমেণ্ডমেণ্টটো কিন্তু 6th schedule-হে এমেণ্ড কৰিছে কিন্তু কৈছে কনষ্টিটিউচন সেইটো only 6th schedule amend korise.
Sir, for amendment of this
na etu moi na a constitution hobdo to bujabole he to koise koisu hekan etu to constitution to hoy aru ki holeo eta constitution to hoy ei matir kotha to eitu boli moi bhabu aru kiba ase ne mo koda mati to settlement kotha to ulale etu to legal term etu actor kotha act buli kole constitution nohoy Assam Land Revenue Regulation to eta act nisina hoy dei act nisina hoy regulation buli koa hoise act nisina hoy etu kotha amar bahut discussion hoisil etu regulation to act hoy ne nohoy etu bahut discussion hoisile kintu etu act nisina etu constitution hoy Hey karne act to hai a settlement boli hobdo to ulabo. Etia to Assam Land Revenue Regulation not settlement kotha ase. Aru hetu ami loi asu nohoy. Hey karne etu ami kori asu. Etia constitution not to settlement boli hobdo na thake. Apuni etia India constitution to sab. Kotu land settlement boli tak nai. Iman article of land settlement hobo boli tu kotu likha nai. Itu কিন্তু হেইটো বুলি পেলাই যে ইন্ডিয়া গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে লেণ্ড সেটেল কৰিব নোৱাৰে বুলি তো নহয় লেণ্ড সেটেলমেণ্ট কৰিব ইন্ডিয়া গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে আইন বনাব তেওঁলোকে বনালে অলৰেডি আৰু একুইজিশনৰ কথা দেই হয় এইটোতো বহুত ডিস্টাৰ্ব কৰে এই একুইজিশনটো কিন্তু একুইজিশনটো নহয় মাত্ৰ 6 শিডিউল এৰিয়াৰ মাটি একুইজিশ্যন নহয় ষ্টেট গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট মাটিও একুইজিশ্যন কৰে ষ্টেট গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট নিজে কৰে ইণ্ডিয়া গভৰ্ণমেণ্টো কৰে হয়নে নহয় ইণ্ডিয়া গভৰ্ণমেণ্টো কৰে এইটো ইণ্ডিয়া গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট যেতিয়া একুইজিশ্যন কৰিব ষ্টেট গভৰ্ণমেণ্টক সুধিব হয়নে নহয় আমিতো কৰিয়ে থাকোঁ আমি কৰি আছোঁ নহয় ইমান দিন নহয় 36 years I was also there so এইটো ষ্টেট গভৰ্ণমেণ্টক সুধিব যে এইটো একুৱায়াৰ কৰিব পাৰিব নে নাই বুলি তেতিয়া জেনেৰেলি ভালৰ কাৰণে ইণ্ডিয়া গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে ভালৰ কাৰণে কৰিব বুলি ক'লে আসাম গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে মানে সেইটো নিচিনা আমি একুইজিশ্যনটো ষ্টেট গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে কৰি দিয়ে বুলি পেলাই যে আমি মাটিৰ পাৱাৰ আমাৰ শক্তিটো মাটিৰ ওপৰত নাই বুলি ক'ব নোৱাৰে কথাটো হৈছে ষ্টেট গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট বা চেণ্ট্ৰেল গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট একুৱায়াৰ কৰিব খুজিলে আমাৰ কাউন্সিলকে সুধিব লাগিব সেইটো কাউন্সিলকে সুধিব লাগিব সেইটোকে পাৱাৰ বুলি কয় সুধিব লাগিব যে দিব হ'ব বাৰু বুলি সেইটোকে পাৱাৰ বুলি কৈছে সেইটোৱে কথা বস্তুটো পাৱাৰ বুলিতো চকুৰে দেখা নাপায়তো কিবা ফুৰি থাকে ওলমি আছে এনেকাতো নহয়তো এইটো দেখি নাপায় এইটো আমাৰ যিটো কয় আমি ৰিপ্লাই দিছো মোক সুধিছিলে মই ৰিপ্লাই দিছো এনেকা এইবিলাকহে পাৱাৰ হয় আৰু কিবা আছেনে মই আৰু বেছি নকওঁ আৰু ইমানেতে তেতিয়াহ'লে মোৰ কথাখিনি সামৰিলো
Sir, isi ang question dolan, ladak mo pen, iletong resource person pen, rotong tiya kihay, pen alang kipu ke state government tum jong se aning hang pelote la long le ja kong magen pondet un pa alang di pen kipu pa.
Laki un laki na ekhete koisil regarding acquisition na karne koise. Acquisition na karne koise. Ene jat mati lobo buli kotha
Wanda kipu bang ke land belong to Karbin Autonomous Council. Sita akinang dulu pelote.
Akinang dulu pene. Mane acquire kora. Itu muk dekhoise ekhete. Itu acquire kora. Itu ase. Itu sobote thakibo. Assam state or karneও আছে এইটো আৰু ইভিন ইণ্ডিয়া গভৰ্ণমেণ্টও আছে কাৰণ তাতো ইকুৱায়াৰ কৰিম বুলি ক'লে ইণ্ডিয়া গভৰ্ণমেণ্টটো কোনোবাক আকৌ সুধিব লাগিব তাতো একেই কথা এইটো কাৰণ এইটো আমি যি হ'লেও আমিতো ইণ্ডিয়াৰ ভিতৰতে আছো এটা নেশ্যন দ্য মেইন নেশ্যন ইজ ইণ্ডিয়া সেইকাৰণে
Okay, so thank you so much, sir, for your clarification. From your point of view, we got to know that the land belongs to Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, but in case of any land acquirement from the state government, the state government will consult with the Autonomous Council. That's what we got to know from Sir Kathar's point of view. So, ili tum non mange first session ke tang ko dok lo, ke tang lo analysis ang ke sida me ili tum ka chunungri bangai lahin lo, second session bangai thi hekji la pen ajir ding de kasi panelist doan kami alang itu lunch break do get pen kami na ini tumpo usi iltum ding ipon lo non bangke panelist iltum long bang nerket do we have 8 panelists here la pen non bangke alang itu kedam tang iltum han position lo pipi mai tu manang ke jaipon hala bang soyong si nang iltum public audience pen question do lo tante specific question 30 seconds ang bong panang tum question please no kumat hansi nang tum karjuma ko so panelist amendment nang tum jong ponor alang tum han 3 minutes reply upon tum pipon po la so phi nang tum yongsi any of the panelists can reply my question to that lata inut back la panang piduni phan ready bo bisi nilini khel the start nang mante sir sing
Ala pen isi ke tuning di bangal han lo non government la second session dam dia prang la first session long ga topic ma sikilo discussion on autonomous state under article 244A la pen 6 schedule laso upper view mate laso jurisdiction under tengsi question ma atum raise nang pu out of topic ma mate la bang ding more po la pen unnecessary question do koila si la dak 6 schedule la pen autonomous state apu thak kachira link ado kabe ai alam the apu thak si ngali tuma phan ipar jui phan farsa tipon that's all. Mane karju ji pobang apransi bukan dari ciring kata me.
Coroparo pinilason panel discussion padupon ni karjukan tung ladak Caribbean long ke autonomous state under Article 244A implementation alam lapen betum 6 schedule alam lalote lake 6 schedule ke mohet pinangan council claim tangtung kacini experience pen practical ki claim damatung labang ke one power limited walam itung than boy tum 6 schedule walam gista that important man ke upgradation of harman of han kopini abadha duma gitu upgradation ke majuta abadha abedat nahi sida isi ku banke moi amar deuri sarok moi jitu moi buji paisu okhomia hoyto sage moi buji na ho pare kintu moi jitu buji paisu apuni jitu ulek korise je 6 schedule le jodi tumaloke use koribo para nai properly exercise koribo para nai titia hole autonomous state to ani pelai ki লাভ হ'ব তেনে ধৰণে মই বুজি পাইছো স্যাৰ মই এটা কথা আপোনাক মানে জানিবৰ কাৰণে বুজিবৰ কাৰণে মই এটা ক'ব বিচাৰিছো আমাৰ এটা আমি 30 ইয়ার্স ব্যাক হলো 6 শিডিউলৰ কথা পাতি 6 শিডিউল কি আছে কি নাই আমি আজি দিনত 39 ইয়ার্স বুলিও ক'ব পাৰে যদি মই এএসডিসি দিনৰ পৰা যদি মই আৰম্ভ কৰো এতিয়া আমাৰ কথাটো হৈছে আমাৰ যেটো লিমিটেশন যেনে মই এটা এক্সাম্পল আমাৰ ইনহেৰেন্ট সাবজেক্ট যিবিলাক দিছে মই এক্সাম্পল এডুকেশনৰ ক্ষেত্ৰতে মই ক'ব বিচাৰিছো আমাৰ কেৱল আমাৰ পাৱাৰ লিমিটেড তো আমি অনলি প্ৰাইমাৰী সেকশনতে আমি সীমাবদ্ধ নিচিনা দেখি পাওঁ এমইউ টেমত অলপমান আমাৰ হায়াৰ এডুকেশন লকে হৈছে তো আমি ক'ব বিচাৰিছো যেটো লিমিটেশন পাৱাৰ এণ্ড লিমিটেশনৰ পৰা যদি আমি বিচাৰো অটোনমাস ষ্টেট আমি বিচৰাটো তাৰ অধিক ক্ষমতাৰ
Ala question bang specific
kali lasili lo macam na asamis bang nang buji dia tahu boleh explain lang koi mati na ni kacini bahasa ni puno ati important isu lo dake netum people see pini autonomous state tu itu pipu ma 6 ami kyo autonomous state boli kyo koisu amar odhik hoy ami practice kuribole jaunte amar kisuman 6 schedule khetrotu amar eta badha thake jene গভর্নর তেখেতক আমি তেখেতৰ পাৱাৰ লিমিটেশন থাকে তেখেতে পাৱাৰ অফ মিনিষ্টাৰক খুদি পেলাহে যিকোনো ক্ষেত্ৰত ইমপ্লিমেন্টেশন কৰিব পাৰে তো পাৱাৰ অফ মিনিষ্টাৰ বুলি ক'লে কেবিনেটৰ গুচি যায় তো তাৰ পৰা আমাৰ এটা বাধা থাকে তো হেতু কাৰণে আমি বিচাৰো যে আমাৰ অটোনমাস ষ্টেট হলে আমি এটা ল বনাব পাৰে ইয়াক অধিক ক্ষমতা হ'ব আৰু এই অধিক ক্ষমতাৰ জৰিয়তেহে আমি যিকোনো ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি কাম কৰিব পাৰিব বুলি আমাৰ এটা অনুভৱ যদি মই ভাবো যদি আমি 6 কৈছে আমাৰ আপোনালোকে পেনেল ডিসকাশনত খুব ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট কথা কৈছে 6 শিডিউলৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি আৰু দকে ডিসকাশন কৰিবলৈ প্ৰয়োজন নাই বুলিও কৈছে প্ৰয়োজন মানে এটু নাই বুলি কোৱা নাই ডিসকাশন কৰিব নালাগে কোৱা নাই কিন্তু এটা ডিবেট ইন্টারপ্রিটেশন টু ডিফারেন্স ইন্টারপ্রিটেশন হ'ব নালাগে এটা লাসওয়ালাম পছি মই স্যার আপনার
hope you got the question sir
জানিব বিচাৰিছো
hope you got the question hope you got the question
Look, he wanted to clarify is that for implementation of the law, especially for Caribbean Autonomous Council, whenever they send any bill, the bill should stop into the hands of the government.
Brother also said that 9 years, 10 years, our petitions or our representatives are always being stuck up in the office of governor. Practically, it is true. I do agree. Number one. Number two, let me tell you very frankly, my dear brother. I am not saying that it is a limited. It is the people. It is we who exercise it now. When you have a 6 schedule in your hand, you say you have a limited power. In the constitution, nowhere specific limitation is given. Nowhere, I have not seen. You have given a sufficient of rights. You have given lots of rights are there to exercise. But your mechanism, your tools, are they efficient? Are they capable or not? I have a doubt. It is true that you have, apuni 39 years apuni struggle korise, bahut manu life borbat hoise, bahut manu apnalokor nisina manu deholiao hoi goise, হেতু মই একসেপ্ট কৰিছো এট দ্য সেম টাইম আমি যেতিয়া সংগ্ৰাম কৰিবলৈ যাওঁ পুলিশ ডিপাৰ্টমেন্টে কেনেকৈ মিস ইউজ কৰে পাৱাৰ হেতু আপুনি লেট মি টেল ইউ এজ এ এডভোকেট পুলিশ এডমিনিষ্ট্ৰেশ্যন বা ল এণ্ড অৰ্ডাৰ ডিপাৰ্টমেন্ট যেতিয়া when they abuse their power কাউন্সিলে কি কৰি থাকে কাউন্সিলক কোনে ৰজা বনাইছে আমি ভোট দি জিকাইছো ভোট দি জিকোৱা মানুহৰ হিৰো হয় ইউপি বিহাৰত এটা পঞ্চায়ত প্ৰেসিডেন্টে ডিসি সাহেব বুলি কৈ পেলাই খাৰাপ হৈ দিয়ে when the পঞ্চায়তৰ আৰু জেপিএমৰ যেতিয়া মানুহ আহে অফিচত সোমায় আমি প্ৰেক্টিক্যালি দেখিছো ডিসি এসি খাৰাপ হৈ দিয়ে সাৰ বুলি মাতে ইয়াত আমাৰ কাউন্সিলৰ ইএন যদি আহে আমাৰ ইয়াত অফিচাৰবিলাক পাত্তাই নিদিয়ে আপুনি একসেপ্ট কৰে না নকওক do you accept what I'm trying to say I'm trying to say the ability the efficiency whether do I have or not আমি যদি always I use the word yes man মই yes man কথাটো কওঁ always মই কওঁ আৰু আজিও কওঁ যে মই আপোনালোকক সুধুম গৰুৱে কণী পাৰে না বুলি যদি কয় আপোনালোকে সবে যদি কৈ যে yes বুলি কয় meaningless হৈ গ'ল হয়নে নহয় আৰে বাবা এটলিষ্ট ক'ব পাৰিব লাগবে এজন গৰুৱে কণী নাপাৰে কাউ নেভাৰ লে এক গৰু কণী পাৰে নেকি কওকচোন গৰুটো গাখীৰে দিয়ে বাবা তো আপোনাৰ 6 শিডিউলত মই তো সাৰ যদি পাইছে না পোৱা মই নাজানো আই এজ এ এডভোকেট আমি কনস্টিটিউশন পঢ়ি লুকিয়া বগৰাই দিছো কতো শব্দ এটা লিমিটেশন পাৱাৰটো আমি কতো দেখা নাই there is no limitation yes the act ইয়াতে এক আপোনালোকৰ মেমৰ কিবাটো ইয়াতে ইমান ক্লিয়াৰ পাৱাৰ দিয়া আছে লেনৰ কথা কোৱা আছে আপোনালোকে এক্সাৰসাইজ কৰিব পৰা নাই আপোনালোকে এতিয়া ইয়াৰ এটা সেশন আমি আৰু ভালকৈ ডিবেট কৰিম সেইকাৰণে মই ক'বলৈ বিচাৰিছো আপোনাক মই শব্দটো লিমিটেশনটো পোৱা নাই মই ক'বলৈ এইটোৱে বিচাৰিছো আপুনি দুৰ্বল আছে আপুনি কমজোৰ আছে আপুনি এক্সাৰসাইজ কৰিব পৰা নাই আপুনি ৰাইট জেগাত ৰাইট মানুহ পঠিয়াব পৰা নাই হয়নে নহয় ৰাইট কওক আরে রাইট জেগাত যদি রাইট মানুহ যোৱাজন পাৰ্লামেন্ট গৈ পেলাই টোপনি মাৰি থকা এমএলএ এমপি যদি আপুনি দিয়ে আৰু 100 বছৰ আপুনি আন্দোলন কৰক ইউ উইল নট সাকসেস
Meaningless.
আপোনাৰ ষ্টেট যোৱা 86 ৰ অৰুণাচল প্ৰদেশ ষ্টেট গুড পাইছে তাৰ আগত কি আছিল অৰুণাচল কওক আপোনালোকক সকলোৱে উঠিছিল নেপাৰ হাণ্ড্ৰেড আছিল একোৱে নাই এটা জেগাৰ নাম আছিল মাৰ্গ্ৰিটা বুলি কয় till 98 লক তাতে আকৌ প্ৰটেক্টেড এলেকা বুলি কৈছে তাত স্পেশাল এটা পলিটিক্যাল অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট অফিসার আছে সেই জায়গা যাবলৈ ইনাৰ লাইন পাৰমিট লাগে এজিপি দিনত আহি পেলাই হেতু উইথড্ৰ কৰি দিলে ট্ৰাইবেল বেলেন্স ব্লক কিনি শিলঙৰ পৰা যেতিয়া ৰাজধানী আহিলে গুৱাহাটী 1969 ত ট্ৰাইবেল বেল ব্লকটো গুচাই দিলে এতিয়া বহুত কিনি ট্ৰাইবেল এলেকাত গুচাই দি আছে 6 শিডিউলক এটেক কৰিবলৈ 2 মিনিটো নালাগে মাই ডিয়াৰ ব্ৰাদাৰ অন দা ওয়ে উই ইন দা সেম লাইন আমি সকলোৱে একে নামৰ যাত্ৰী ময়ো ট্ৰাইবেল আপুনি ট্ৰাইবেল আপুনি পাহাৰৰ আছে মই বয়ামৰ আছো কিন্তু সংবিধানে আমাক হিলছ আৰু প্লেন বুলি ক'তো মেনশ্যন কৰা হাসা কৰিছে নেকি কথাটো নাই এসটি এই কাৰণে আপোনাৰ 6 শিডিউলত ইমান পাৱাৰ দিয়া আছে এই পাৱাৰটো আপোনালোকে এক্সাৰসাইজ কৰিব পৰা নাই আপোনাৰ মাটি কেনেকা ইয়াত নন প্ৰটেক্টেড মানুহে মাটি উলালে তাৰ দায়িত্ব কোন হু ইজ দ্য হেল ৰেসপন্সিবল ইট ইজ দ্য কাউন্সিল
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Hope you got the answer, sir. So next question, Kumani Bendoma. Sir. Question for the audience. Nali Bhamna Harji Kosa. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Particularly.
Please, this is for your kind information. Those who want to ask the question, please kindly raise your hand. Hello, wing malin aku mari cilung deno.
Nili Arjuna, Elvin Tero nakah aten, Salawar beka masih ni Arjuna po. Cihek question Arjuna po. 1986 benta alam itu ke as CPM camera terle. The Hala also 1995 was the autonomous state alarm was ini kita korong lah. Number 1 question lah. Aku non baca constitution amendment law, non 6 laws amendment kau di.
Hala karju isi.
mah.
Specific question lah pen. Hala not outside autonomous state.
Lalu autonomous state alarm sudah kita. Autonomous state alarm dulu mati di. Non alarm itu pula 6 schedule ke beyond. Kusi alarm tu kan ninja lot. itu 62 setores autonomous state ki hamla non olang like MOU MOS1 MOS2 lo galang ta signatory lo ta do gitu mereka bang lo the autonomous state alam deposit mention nge dan lo 6 schedule dio protome 6 schedule itu ke pathi nahi gali 6 schedule ke itu ke 80 pa pathi fan gali gate itu MLA si kenai gate
Coba question lo.
coba bu
Yeah, sir, question to you is that nangli masih aprang MOU ke citoklong kami nangli si government of India long itun lo, plus open non MOS1, MOS2 long dan nangli masih government of India long itun lo, plus si kopi apa sih nangli? Anil tong articles 244 ekinan so, kalau bang sobang jong dan musik, nangli pan minute ke thom ban reply ko ning kilo.
Jadi kemarin ada ke kata rasa hobi puas si knowledge fancy ini ciwa ini pu. Nona lain orang political kan. I was expecting low points from our honorable esteemed lawyer, but he didn't say anything about low points. He said only about the political aspect. So I didn't want to discuss politics here. I have not come to discuss politics here. I have come only to discuss about low points. Nang itu dong si people si autonomous state non 39 year pelong ni dia mapu ke lagi ni pala ang cocok ini entire people of targa long saya pun ini movement lain ni dia we could not sustain until and unless you can sustain for a considerable period of time in which by which you can convince the central government to act according to our demand. That is the point. Sustain udah jadi po. Lagi jadi itu mereka maling. Sustain udah dia, movement sustain udah dia. Menendali kita sustain udah bisa di hello. And I feel that you will bring autonomous state. Nih, alam kita lagi itu movement also sustain udah mah. It depends on that because you will have to compel the government to do it. Until you know how to compel to do it, we have exhausted our mass power. We exhausted the power of the gun. We exhausted many other form of movement, including burning of buildings and all. We could not sustain it for long enough for us to get what we want. Laso posi, government kaita 62 under 62 50 kabo ilu. That's it. We are strengthening 62 in the process. We are strengthening 62 in the process. Let's see, I just want to reply one thing. Low point. Okay? In short, yes, low point. Our esteemed advocate also says that he has not seen any limitation in 62. He has not seen any limitation in 62. The limitation is ingrained in every line. He was talking about paragraph 12. In paragraph 12 also, it is ingrained. Paragraph 12 of the 62. If you see, if somebody can show me what about paragraph 12. If somebody can. Yes. Application of acts of parliament. Application of acts of parliament and of the legislature of the state of Meghalaya, state of Assam is paragraph 12. Okay. No act of the legislature of the state of Assam in respect of any matter specified in paragraph 3. So it is specific in whatever subject is included in paragraph 3. Of this schedule as matters with respect to which council may make law and no act of parliament or of the legislature of the state prohibiting or restricting the consumption of so and so and so and so. So, ladak atu bangke paragraph 3 long timak PR a subject long ke no act of parliament or state will apply. We agree. But no. Article 162 says that for all other purpose, Article 162 says that for all other purpose, the state government action will prevail. Article 162.
Land bahata, let us not itu betang kada we it is good for us to know our weakness. Until and unless we know our weakness, we won't be able to fight. We won't be able to fight. On land, let me read out to you, which I got it from this book. This book says, land does not belong to autonomous. This book says, I'm not saying it. And how this book says, land does not belong to autonomous council. This book points to this court judgment.
Please mention the article and
yes,
so that the people can understand.
This book points to this judgment, and it is Udaldas Panika Prabha Chandradas versus Kanbiaram District Council. In this particular section, the Honorable High Court says it quotes Mrs. C.M. Lloyd versus District Council Donated Khasi and Jati Hills in this regard. The Honorable Court, Guwahati High Court has quoted this. In this regard, the land comprised in an autonomous district does not belong to the district council in the sense it is owned by the state of Assam and not by the district council. Though in that case there is no elaborate discussion, but this decision holds the field. Next line. The Honorable Court says that, the judge says that, no, this is High Court judgment. Then he says that, we would, however, like to add that, under the Government of India Act 1935, the areas comprised within an autonomous district in question were partially excluded areas. And as such, the sovereign right over land rested in the Crown. After the lapse of paramountcy, such properties and assets have vested in the Union and the corresponding state respectively. This position has been made clear in Articles 294 and 295 of the Constitution. According to Article 162 of the Constitution, the executive power of the state shall extend to the matters in respect of which the legislature of the state has power to make law. That is excluding allotment, use, and setting apart. Okay, that is the confines, that is the domain of the district council. So state has no power to make laws on setting apart, on use, and on allotment. State government doesn't have that power. That power remains with council. But the rest of matters related with land, according to Article 162, the executive of the state shall extend to the matters in respect of which the legislature of the state has power to make law. Entry 18 of List 2 of State List of 7 schedules in the Constitution of India, the land is a state subject. Therefore, the right over land rests in the state. This is court judgment. This is court judgment.
This can be appealed in the Supreme Court.
This can be appealed in the Supreme Court. Why nobody has appealed in the Supreme Court? I say that anybody who is interested to protect our land, now you know, see, they should go and challenge this in the Supreme Court.
Okay.
This is challengeable. Until and unless we challenge this in the Supreme Court, this judgment stands.
Okay.
Yeah, this will apply.
Okay.
Like a limitation.
Okay.
There are so many other things I can point out. So the intrinsic limitation, we have to fight off this intrinsic limitation. And one of the ways to fight off the intrinsic limitation is by amendment. So we should not hate amendment. We should try to make proper amendment so that we fight off those intrinsic limitations that we have in this situation.
Okay, sir. Okay, we got it. We got it very clearly. Sir, yes. Any of the panelists want to speak on this matter? We are giving a time for that.
Because state is subject.
Sir, please. Mic.
State বুলি কৈছে যে হাই কোর্ট এমেন্ডমেন্ট সেই সার্থে ফাংচুক কেছত হাই কোর্টে কৈছে land matters belong to the council. So the council should take up the matter, and therefore the Sarthe Pancho should be given back the land according to the wishes of the council. No, Robert. Nilingang ipan chokche po ng pudun deh. Ako hedi, hala elong hedi. State land belong to the state pulodi. Ang hala law ng putuke. State means the district council. Ayo alam ng la si hedi niligama thake la ilitum ka chepang tang ko an ka take la si dependent na ko akam mo bang
sir, there is one agreement. I don't know sir is aware or not. This is another MOU signed for the government of Assam all over. They took the order dated by order by the governor, notification number dated this full 29 January 1995. I'll just read out. That power this is. No, we need a separate session. So, you want to say anything? No, I want to ensure that, yeah, as part this notification, Council of Malik Buli Kwas. It is Supreme Court of Joa. I tell you, again, I also admit. See, Ami Chetia, lower court of the Bell Nepai, Ami Court of High Court of Jow. High Court of the Amak Mukti Nide, Ami Supreme Court of Jow. एक केस तो जोड़ी कुनुबाई कोरिस है, आमी आपको हाई कोर्ट में जोड़ी डबल बेंच में जाओ पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जाओ पर, अल्टीमेटली माटी मालिक मोय, केवल प्रोटेक्टेड क्लास और मोय आसो, मोय ट्राइबल मानु हो, और ये एक तो एग्रीमेंट और माटी मालिक बुली मुके दिया से।
Okay.
और ये तो मैं जेरक्स पर अपना को दी दी।
Okay sir, thank you so much. Sir. Now only 1 minute, sir.
No, I just specifically Sarthe Pancho. Because Sarthe Pancho case is allotment, use and setting up. This is entirely the power of the council, including eviction. This is the power of the council. Power of the council law. The only thing is that council doesn't have that ministerial and police force. Baki like a proximelo. Another thing I just want to draw his attention about land. Most voted case is Sitimon Sergeant case, which is delivered in the Supreme Court. That is the most voted case. It says that the district councils are not intended to be clothed with the plenary power of the state. That is the core the judgment of the Supreme Court. And this was said again and even went up to the constitutional bench. And the constitutional bench also, they said it the same thing. Last year, Sarthe Pancho case entirely like council of power.
Any question? Second question. Audience yung si Chiki Mesente article dito akor and this kami akor doelo lunch break man.
Asitum 6 schedule kat sing right. The ong tu ngomuni tu 6 schedule Governor Pansi discretionary power and blanket power PDF lasong si kado itu mata. That executive council akan han paruripin dah governor akan jakong tu alam blanket power PDF lasong si kado kita kitim ke mata akan ke accept. Lasi laso apu thak nilipu elvin terong ke hai panar julo tenku jai kathar alam ditung bahini si laso apu thak see mata. Same question. Two of them with maybe different justification.
That alam ni sa kang terang kai pen ka kita tunggu lahan lo. That pen council pen lo pinsong mute halai global pada market cak apa ti. Kasi Buson Governor Ajakom Special Doma 163 of the Indian Constitution Lapodan with the advice of the Council of Ministers. When the Council of the Ministers Arjuna ko report bill na pending la state government ang dito. Kasi tapos 6 ito la convent opini blanket power mate absolute discretionary power do ma governor pa ko gede. Nandi gadwan yes. Sir.
Hola, secretario Pinoy Koli.
Sir, discretionary power. Governor Doma say. Ate ma confusion do la so ta ra tunta. Kasi yani any one of them sir. Yes or no? Sir, hold again. No, sir, please. Mopen nilitum cetane lo one to go. Sedame non pakai question raise lo pu kan terang aki hai itu masa la silaso abang non apor en kono yang mau bang tu pola eviction alam da second session ke lahai PGR alam da bangci tapi that is 125th amendment alam da bangci. Let's start sir.
Yes. Mari courtly itu membulinan tidak kita hari itu lah bangsu ke implement dia magisterial dan police power itu berada yang ada problem government. No discretionary power. I'm only going to raise the question of law because we have for years argued with the central government that we are unable to exercise our will because the governor stands as a stumbling block, not because of him, but because of the operation of 163 articles. And the court has ruled in several cases that our governor is a constitutional governor. It is not a discretionary governor. Lama governor, court pada pada ruling bill. Amase he has to adhere to the provisions of the Constitution, this is Article 163. So we tried our best, we argued and said, okay, we will solve your problem. We demanded, in fact, that on the subjects given to the council under 62, the governor should go by the advice of the district. That is our demand. That has been our demand. Till now, that is our demand. But the government did not agree. They said, we will not trample the basic structure of the Constitution. And therefore, okay, we will make amendments, try to bring back the spirit of 1935 Government of India Act. And therefore, what it says, we will give discretionary power to the governor. So a new paragraph 20BA was inserted in 1935 amendment. He was in that amendment. So in that amendment, the word reads, the governor, in exercise of discretionary power, he will first seek the advice of the CEM and then the Council of Ministers. After that, he will form his opinion and then, according to his discretion, he will take the decision. But over the years, we found that no governor wants to walk across purpose with the state government for political and other reasons. So we did not succeed. We did not succeed. Governor Gametan as discretionary 20BA I think बताइए इसी के council अपन Arjuna ji lepas बताइए इसी Council of Ministers अपन Arjuna ji langsung bisa lah alang mitang opinion form discretionary power exercise power. Lahilo MOU plan kitchen soon. Asal no kita tangan ke ini teknologi governor bang state government ciputan macam hong itu tepo amat Hala 163 things in WD. Nasini dumnon a appeal this time 120 constitutional amendment. That is to get the bank governor bank discretionary power alak exercise ya bank council opinion entame seta state opinion NIG for bank kan per 90% ana sita din to memorandum kita. Ala program te discretionary power bank governor bank use lompo. Sita kimene gali kimene banke governor must act in accordance with the advice of the executive committee of the council. That is the best, which we should keep on demanding. Otherwise, there is no point not going to Article 448. No point.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Next, Harsha Friend.
My opinion is also the same. Itu jitu hala Council of Minister on consult nangi po ban kan pet lo te misen ji. Kita lanta ceplang pelang autonomous state long lete ceplang pli. Karon hala mo penang lita pulo mi governor appointment hota chief minister opinion de entity mati. La si chief minister upon aning pe oidi ke governor dum da ning hang he. Amasi claim dia tiki. La posila ke autonomous state ke long back nang po. Hello alaman. La sini tunta autonomous state long back nang po. Mutela ke long tik iri tik ho rama. 60 la power bang che than tu pet po bang e chok chelu po bang ni je. La soala ni Eron sangho kabe la soho nil jum HSBC lo nang litu ningso nang liawi nang ningso 2016 ani la soala ni je tekang 2016 ani kan je itu a power che than tu bom le ko ma tyo a power autonomous state first long first long sita la soala itu protective law itu malong do la bangke jitu protective law amar logot already ase heitu kati pelai koratu thik nohobo boli moi koisilu tetia etia kothatu je kolu noy janu je eta baki ase etia governor loi চিঠি লিখিবলৈ বা এই মেমোরেন্ডাম লিখিবলৈ কি কয় প্রপোজাল তো পঠাবলৈ এক পাস কৰিবলৈ যে আন্ডার 163 এক্ট লিখি পেলাই আসাম গভর্নমেন্টক দিব লাগে বলি নহয় মোৰ মতে কাৰণ গভর্নর সেক্রেটারিয়েট আছে তার কমিশনার আছে সেক্রেটারি আছে সব আছে এই কারণে আমি জেনারেলি ডাইরেক্টলি গভর্নর সেক্রেটারি হয় লৈকে লিখো সেই কারণে আমার কাউন্সিলৰ পৰা 163 আন্ডাৰত কৰিব নালাগে এটো 20 BA মতে কৰিব লাগিব directly to the governor to the commissioner or secretary to the governor তালৈকে লিখিব লাগে আৰু যদি গভর্নর তাত আৰু হেতু কনসাল্ট কৰা বুলি কথা আছে নহয় যে ইচ্ছা হলে গভর্নরে তেতিয়া সেন্ট্রাল স্টেট গভর্নমেন্ট লৈ পঠাব এইটোৱে নিয়মটো কালিনন কে হলা 163 kan di lubong kikimati la ke choklo lante se ke chen ko la po li ja kikimati ti non e choklo ante la pe choklo po le te choklo si tal la ta
Social media will be exactly sir, it's okay. Thank you so much for bringing your point. I mean, send points in the one. Akhema, Jumi में alam है council pen para तुमकी की ये pendong kilo kalima lato council of minister लोग हम दोगे किलो बोला से पता है बोलो मैं council pen से लासो पे इसी governor लोग से ये बोला. Thank you so much. Continue dan bomi mamate. Así ayúdame. Question.
Gobernador Bali itu mah julung macam ni, nang dulu bukan. Gobernador nak thang nang lilipin nang daki.
Golab Chan Kataria lang sila itong visit ang batay ni halata nang lili at at build up sa mga kami. Ini hala gobernador.
Question. Audience from another 50 years support people.
Thank you, Chairman. Respected panelists. I just want to ask, if the land of the autonomous district belongs to the people, to the district council, it belongs to the people. If so, why tribals, indigenous are not compensated even without land documents in acquisition? If it belongs to the people and the autonomous council, because let me take an example of a neighbor state in Nagaland. Of course, they have the Article 371A, the land belongs to the people. When the government took the land for acquisition, they were paid compensation even without land documents, since they were the settlers in the particular land that was acquired. Now, why the Autonomous Council in Karbi Anglong don't pay to the customary indigenous person, those who don't have document? And another question is, does the Autonomous District of Karbi Anglong reserve our land rights to only selected tribes or the tribals? Does the 6th schedule allow non-tribals to hold land in Autonomous District? Can the Autonomous District be abrogated? If so, when and when?
Main question goes to any of the panelists or specific?
I would request the SES and the IS.
It will be irrelevant for me to give what is the function of council. I'll start from the last question. As per law, non-tribals are not allowed to buy land or sell land without prior approval of council. Council has two. One is the revenue secretary is like a commissioner of state government of some inland affairs. EM of the council who look after revenue is a minister of revenue in the state of Assam. That's the definition we have. CM of the council is the president. In the functioning actual display of land, each and every cases, there will be irrelevant for us. Not supposed to. Let it be there, it can be present, kindly on. the law says they are not allowed to land in North. Secondly, we have almost similar parallel function in North Gaza. In North Gaza, here it's a matter of land acquisition. When villagers' land is used for government development projects, through the council, they make a release and share of the land. Why council is not doing that? I think it's an area of improvement. We can only advise the council and say, come on, you are sorry. They have authority. We have authority. Let them have a regulation. Let them have a regulation instead of blindly following Land Regulation Act of 1886. Council by itself can act, and let us request them, if you act, these shouldn't be in conformity with the 6 Schedule Spirit, and the people will be happy. To make people happy, I think we are always a spot. We can. There is a difference. The notification we have CM of the Autonomous Council is a review authority in matter of law. I don't know whether we do read or not. He is a review authority. The act of the PM, who is the power of Minister of the land, in charge of the land, and Secretary of the Revenue is having the power of the Commissioner of the State of Assam in matter of law. And if you don't utilize that, no. And I think these are the area where we have to so the people are more they feel that it belongs to them. I think if there is any kind of non-doing it, I think that could be what's called whistleblower. Let us blow a whistle so that I think that is what.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, Professor, would you like to reply on that?
What Nagaland, they have made law according to their traditional land revenue law. Yes, Nagaland. They have got their own land revenue law. So they are, whatever land they already have, traditionally, those have been given pata. But in Karbi Anglong, we have not been able to do it. We have not been able to make our own land law, but we have taken the land law of Assam. There, the matters of the land revenue, the land law, the pata which we already received from our chief is not written. When the land law of 1953 was passed, certain word has been omitted, certain phrase. It should have been like that the pata already received before the commencement of this act from the chieftains will remain valid. If that word is there, then our tribal people, their traditional pata will become legal now. But now traditional pata is not legalized. It has not been accepted as legal. That is our problem. That is why we have been always talking about it. That the traditional pata which have been received from the Sarpe, that is Gaumbura, Rong Asar, should be accepted. That is what we are saying. But if it has to be accepted, then the law of 1953 will have to be amended a little, or a new, totally new land revenue law basing on our traditional land revenue law will have to be made. Then our all tribal people will get their compensation or whatever rights they have. Whatever they have already got hundreds of years before, it will be able, it can be continued even today also.
Thank you, sir. Turolo, ito sa ma'am has got the point, which he raised that question, because in the 6 scheduled areas here in Karbi Anglong and the Mahasau, land is the most important thing. But so far, from the district council authority, land laws has not been made so far. That's the reason why we have been lacking in that part. So thank you. Now another 8 minutes for lunch, right? Let's say any crowd company audience tum tadi dulang ko tan non pen hari chirong deno bang koma bang lima dulang te 1. Any more? 2. Repeat. 1. Ini kan nama? Apa ini? Top, bang Tom deh. Okay. Sesi.
Hello, check. Nili, Elvin Sarapan nili question credits ni hello. 60 ke itum chidor delo la so pasi autonomous state ke hango. Kolam itum pinangan agilong lo. Basi amu het kitchen benda alam itum artulo 60 avidat pen autonomous state itum long jima kolam. Masalah itu selalu bilang peklar tidak. Selalu solam aku nili pu Elvin Sarapan kadis ni halo. That Article 244A law, notwithstanding anything in this constitution, Parliament may, by law, from within the state of Assam and autonomous state, comprising whether wholly or in part, or any of the tribal areas specified in Part 1 of the table appended to the paragraph 20 of the 6th schedule. Autonomous state itung kimi punote. Paragraph 20, 6 ang ting sikim nang di sudah ketok nasional. So alam the peklar something desan di sa.
Alam peklar lo kana ini lo. I cannot change the law. I am not authorized to change the law. The law says that if autonomous state has to be created, then it has to be created from within the tribal area. As defined in paragraph 20. Amen. Paragraph 26 itu loh, define it. Lah so area masih separuh apa area separuh dulu. Jadi kita paragraph 20 loh, Assam masih belum mati. Paragraph 20 loh, tribal area ke kamu. Karbi Anglong loh, di Mahasau loh, lapet ke Borone. Ayo, gimana? About si lakit home apal, lakit home ang home when si ada puro only or in part. Ikada wepan pacirap that and this. You were autonomous state tidak tame. Kali tame or in part. Kona ne pan ke tipon pede tipon wong tame. Sida la 6 paragraph 20 long itu a tribal area apan si udah. What we need to understand is Article 244, entire Article 244. There are 3. Entire Article 244 is dedicated to protection of tribal. Article 244(1). Protection of tribal people by constitution of tribal advisory body. In most appendage is deficient. Most appendage is deficient. Deficient are all things then tribal one. Halake 244(1). 244 within bracket 2. Appendage of this is 60. Where 60 are all value. Kita la ana dorde pusi controversy di kok pusi kita sama tu program dapat. It is not possible for us to protect ourselves under the existing 60 provision. When we get that pusi, no banke women at 244 and at 244 slam they name it 244A.
The Ladakh banke lapu besa ho karjuma kala hela ite automatically tumke la 6 schedule Aja kong bangke siwan no.
Nangko. Look at it. Chiwan dulu. Okay, lama sini. Six itu lo power ke Chiwan dulu.
Mungkin dia sama bang plak.
Six itu lo power ke lagi. This will continue. Okay. But we will have more power to execute it. Yes, we will have our computer being start. So Article 166 will have not that problem with Article 163. Then we will have 62 the central government is going to divide finance, the consolidated state, fund of the state, between the autonomous state and the parent state. Therefore, we will have enough fund. Plus state product anywhere, wherever there is a reference to state, it will also build a reference to autonomous state. Halak dulu apa? We will have a share of the GST. Tweaking amendment, we will have all the fund available as per what is available to other states. Last one, 40, it was 62 we will have power. Then we will have ministerial power. We will have ministerial power also. Although we may not have the police power, but we will have the ministerial power. Last one, 40, asal kita umum jepol, penjualan kau hidup jepol, six schedule itu mana kita prinsipul semuka. We will be able to implement them better and more powerfully.
Thank you. Almost time matay bang kita 1:30 at lo yo. Kita may question hini kere si dola. So batai si pares de po lan se pa reply po ang ke tin pass session ma wine po.
The question sir, I'll be there on the hai pa.
Kapre ka panelist na api doni.
Ali alam li si CM no advisor lo si. Alam ke ali concert no po. Ini kan orang lihat nanti kan betul clear lo san. Sikshidula alam no li itu juga kepatia tinggal kalau kan orang clear lo. Tapi patumi di kalau mana ni kita mana nangli hala nangli bohal ompo nangli press meet ke hala long nangli sikan ini tu je Sikshidul long live waktu mana hala kicik tu agent. Mane kusuma lasoban ng likaning kita sila lo kini question bang kalau mane hala paragraph 27 laki itu high court pen dah high kan sir lapen siya maki high bang pulo laki governor ng sidon undi Tapi ini itu damlo governor lo kalau selesai question si militer mandar juga. Si ala governor nanti itu mungkin pulau. Tapi governor bang ke agar final nangli lela. Ante ese nangli advisor lo nangli siam lo nasi nangli kopi lo kecil itu je la paragraph 27 apa kan. Adema ini tu baru kita pulau je rakyat politikal alam apa mungkin lo je bang nang influx speak lo ada. Ni bang kado itu karbiang lo mana sih jauh lo langsung penki kanji apa ke ini tuh malah lo selam lek lo tadi tuh akisung lo nang libu pilo puji.
Any question from your side? Chalo. The last question lo tanda deh.
Mula bang lagi tantang lo mungkin dah tanya lo governor lo how it works. We need to send here because I insist that the city council should send all the communications directly to the commissioner of the governor. The reason is that on 18 items, Abanke governor has the discretionary power under paragraph 22 on 18 items. So all these 18 items, Abanke, which includes paragraph 2, subparagraph 7. All these includes in the governor discretionary power laws include opposite the higher file and get directly the problem is governor office also they are also not very aware of what what is how 6th schedule works. Because 6th schedule has different kinds of power and functions across the Northeast. The 6th schedule in Mizoram is different from maybe in Tripura, and from Tripura different from Bodoland, and Bodoland different from us. Upon say, and I are not sure which kind of 6th schedule works here. I must say what they do is, without putting up to the governor, what they do is the secretary automatically transfer them to the HED, asking them, please put up to the governor by HED 5. That's what the incident to Pilo. About the governor doesn't know whether those bills have come to him or not. Automatically, this has happened down to the That's what problem about like administrative problem. It is become very difficult to overcome this administrative problem because we do not have free access also. Tayo kasi na access long di, puta kali. Ahut pen husi damsi, kailan to di. Niresulta, people si non tanang leleder mapusi, council pen amat si, niliphan na ponsi governor ng damo. Same person. Angke hula dat si, singo ay damo. Hala sa ako, komisyonal magcerjulo, lahay na lelo, kudak lo. Angke lang kung file movement na record katilan si blok lahay kay entity lo mutay. So they have received. They have received. Sita, entity pen, lutai lo po masih parsu lo. Hala no da abudan lo sumrohan. Sumrohan lang lino parsu dong lo dan gitu hur no la claim den no. Alang ni ko so to mamat halo le, no ka bang dal he. Hala ini security mo advice lo pilo le. हमारा नाम लिखा legal remembrance सारा लोग लुटो अगर legal remembrance सारा तो मगर विवरण होंगे this is the problem
it's for my knowledge and clarification open there are some kind of law एक governor functional के direct उठाए
right
so by your version I came to understand that even though it is sent to the governor it has been again diverted
to agency.
So there is no point.
There is no point. Lahelo abustu mangke. Lage administrative challenge we are still facing and we will have to overcome this together.
There is a constitutional debate also.
Yes. So laso awareness bangke. Sisi tu awareness kita answer kali. Mare ras bhavan lo kana. How it should work? You require sisi tu awareness there. Delhi का तो difficult है। लासी लाहिरो problem है। वो बना कर दिया मैं कुछ सिचुएशन तो बन गया तो मेरी माता ने बुद्धि था। कैप्टन सांग माता ने की सिचुएशन तो खाना नहीं लो। तो मस्तीर में ना बोली उन्हें लो itu mana keparting bala kan minister sama tanggung mati keparting ke cicak ke oh selangka hala masuk ninge kudu nilita 39 years itu so gara kita nonta sisi dulu na lelo pudi ke nang la pudi nelo lagi frustration udah kita frustration nasi artikel 244 yang ini maite tete bodan ke itu lahai inherent weakness muka sisi itu cuma right apa है to implement our right we have inherent weakness hala inherent weakness bang ini overcome tete bodan te itu 6 itu ada kau ini implement lasi solution ke email artikel 244A implement dalam tribal area proper protection proper implementation of the spirit of the 6 itu has to come.
So orang tadi, aduh audience tumpenda karjulingan arjuan lo, lapen aduh sih itu masar pen. Clear alam aku apa kelar aku pamelo para 20 DA aku tak kamalang likan pamel. Lalu lagi kaji song ni ilum dolan, alang lida pulo, kasi 6 schedule awareness lagi not up to this level kalila. Governor house of the home. Nili tum tak tahu lo, itu party pada batai si delegates tahu lo. Ada kata ini dia tu lah, lasi. Akilah malah.
Nami tunge, nani tunge, jadi tunge dapat lah bom. Nili tunge mungit cipiti kado kok depen, dom formasi plum set government tu tinggi na kualonta. Ada tinggi apa hempre kalau tinggi apa? Hempre kalau tinggi apa kogi, sisi tu tinggi apa ini? Mana lagi cia so tum an tu ke tu pakai sisi tu antara pikok yang form pedang longlik. Kalau itu mah inherent limitation ni. Lama soang bong sinan pikok si, alat tu mana yang hang nak siwa kong ber lagi pun si, cia tu yang kamat ah.
Orang jangan sialam aku Cina lah. Jadi itu mah pakai MOU MOS kecil dapat sana. Itu mah ke transfer subject bisa minat. Interested subject macam apa?
Kali sorry tu. Sorry tu lah. Sedih tu tak kacau dia tu hadi. Ni tu kiul all lo. Rat tu lah support ni dah mesti. Rat dah kau lah support ni dah lo. Adis kita kau lah support ni dah lo. Bala kita ni sudah ni. Family do. Donda ni. Laka ay mate hala ronam amede long gitu pun ni dah lo. Lasi ni tu kacau ay hudsi makalo. Dia artikel tu pun dibuat kalau dia pakai. Kalau artikel tu pun dibuat power apa ke unang ke wan kono. Mo wancet. Dia pilih tuan ada apa sih boleh pasti kita ko. Anor bangke la MOU MOS kecil tahu orang kita lah soalnya busy ni dong. It is a strategy. Kalau dia kayak pada pilih dia pada strategy. Kali pulau tangga you have nothing. No, you have nothing. Handa belum. Original sesi tu sejuta po. Jata belum. Non bangke we are spending 2,500 crore per year in the game. Of course, we have a long way to go. With our own, with our own size of population, Mizoram is spending 21,000 crore per year. So, for us to come to the level of Mizoram finances, it will take us 10 years. It will take us 10 years. It will 10 years across ke Mizoram ke nikah se karo. Kalau masuk level lagi wajib apa? Nikah kau kira sedikit, tapi semua frustration. Abang ke, la siksi tu puwer, kalau tante, frustration dulu. Frustration dulu. Nasi, kasi song atum apa tu yo? Normal gitu ke. Itu la so level lagi mana lopo? La so bang pen free to lap sekicing pen kan tu ni boleh please. We will be happy to support young generation people like you. You have to take over from us. We cannot continue. Karhan sir and myself cannot continue more. Yes. Because of our health constraint, age constraint, fatigue. Yes, working fatigue. We have been fatigued. Government have recognized that you are already fatigued. That's why they have given him also retirement. That's what retirement below. But luckily he is still continuing. Maybe more stronger than me also. Right? Luckily it's not constrained though. Young people will have to please come with understanding. Go more deeper into what we need, what we lack. That's why you have to understand what we lack. What is our weakness? Jadi kan not pinning like criticize. People see itu weakness mana pakai orang mana. For 39 years we have been just hiding doesn't work anymore. After 39 years of struggle, now it is time for us to tell our people these are our weakness. We have to overcome this. How to do? Let the young people now gather together. Don't be separated. Don't be sectionalized. You have to be united. That a party people a party claim is I will support you, all young people. It is time for you people to take over. But don't take over by hating somebody. Don't take over by yes. So you have to come as an alternative. You have to come as an alternative. Lasino ke kasisong apukimu ke nekan makera sekera meno ubekimi tu nang tono klempakan no. Jiso sabre no. This also we have no. Claim up no. This is spirit and claim no. Care how getting what spirit and claim no. Sacrifice whatever personal interest you have. We have sacrificed all our personal interest. In Amdanikan Tomkara Circle. ACS first class at engineer is doctor is that. Is still a better job. No need to buy Amuni Panang to be that patient. Have to tap up. The prayers are like throwing bed. Okay. So then it will under claim. ACS first class. Class 1. Dunam Singh Soson ke top 15 IAS law. Okay, ACS law belong to one. It's not bad. Now see, we have done our part. Now is for you to do your part.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Next session. Session 2 long video lagi. Session 1 bangke. Session 1 bangke non matri itu pan di patang kondes boyo. Session 2 ke dingo di hekji. Sidame after lunch so that's panelists on the hand on this. As the crowd tumda, lapen audience tumda kadu eta damde deno that lunch break da hamat po provided itu pakai apa dah ini. I thank all the panelists and also to all the guests of honor who took part with us, and then all the participants from respective political parties and organizations who are here to this panel discussion. Thank you so much.